Let's do this. Hello everyone, welcome to stream, welcome. I have several people in Discord already that are going to help with this community painting tonight. And also we have some chill fish game and music going on. Just a chill game. What do you call it? An idler game. So we're going to check that out too while we're painting. So you kind of have that in the background. But yeah, say hi to Michigan, Tex, BattleCat, Jeffrey. Welcome everyone, welcome. We also have Abandon. Welcome. Welcome to the chill stream. It's chill Friday night. I have wine though, so yeah.
Yeah, sorry, it's gonna get close.
Cheers. Yeah. We're starting off real chill, but I don't know how long it'll stay that way.
Won't get crazy.
Probably. Alright. So here's this crazy fish either game I was introduced to. It's basically just a fish aquarium for your desktop.
I think John would love this if you could
Yeah.
simple in there.
Yeah, you sell them, you sort them and raise them, and they make you money. I think I almost have $1,000 now. Just I get $1,000 because I could buy some river and pond fish.
Turn on my camera. So you guys can see my ugly mug.
No one's ugly. Everyone's beautiful. Let's see. So yeah, you go in here and you can sort. Like, I only want to sell adults because they're worth more. And you can sell them by type. Like, we can sell some of the common fish. Swordtails and tetras and dwarf gouramis. And corridoras. I don't think I've ever seen those in real life. Or these.
Basically, that's your job.
Yeah, you just... They grow. Yeah, but you buy them as babies and you sell them. I don't think they ever breed.
Well, basically, yeah.
You just buy a bunch of babies and you have no idea what they are until they get bigger. Then you're like, oh, okay. So then you come in here and you're like, okay, I made some room. I'm gonna buy some fish. Actually, I want to buy these. Let's buy some of these river pond fish. I don't even have any of those yet. I think they'll earn more money too. Look at those guys. We'll see what we get later. And you can feed them, by the way, too. And then later on, you can like change their aquarium, like the pebbles, what they look like, the lighting. You can upgrade tanks.
Yeah,
Bye.
it looks pretty cluttered right now.
Yeah, you can get bigger tanks, you can get more tanks. You can eventually buy saltwater tanks and do saltwater fish. And then you can do decorations. I don't have the money for decorations yet, but yeah. I think that's later on in the game because those are super expensive. Then, but yeah, sell them. I should look at selling some of my other fish too. There's just so many in here right now. Definitely too many. Hi Shane, welcome to the stream. Welcome. And thank you, Michigan, for the stream streak and the sub, by the way. Thank you. Crowley, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Welcome everyone. We're looking at fish. You know. Alright, we're gonna sell some of these more expensive fish, even though they bring me more money. I'm not sure how fish make you money without doing anything, but apparently they make you money just by being there. This one earns $1.31 per day. Like, okay. We'll keep a friend for each of them. This one earns me like $4 a day. So we'll keep like 2 of each of the more rare ones, I guess. Nico, welcome Dash, welcome to the stream, welcome. This one earns $2 a day. I seem to have a lot of those. And then these guys earn $23 a day. I might want to keep those. These shrimp only earn like 5 something, so we're gonna sell a few shrimp. We don't need that many shrimp. Let him have a friend though. Gets to have a friend. Angelfish make $10 a day. That's not bad. I'm still gonna sell some. Thank you, Lady Ray. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lady Ray. Thank you for the 65 months. I appreciate it. Ads are rude. This guy makes $4 a day. How many of those do I have? Ton. Again, everybody needs a friend. Oh, those make $18. So we're gonna keep. Oh wow, this one makes $85 a day. We need more of him. 31. Okay, these only make 12, so I'll sell a couple of those. That one makes 83. Jeez. Okay, we sold a bunch of fish. And we have some money. We can buy a basic aquarium decoration, a moss ball. Let's do it. There we go. We have a basic. It says move. You can put it wherever you want. Oh well. It's so exciting. We can afford a moss ball. Gun show. Alright, I got you. All the non-muscles.
Look at all these muscles, guys.
Yeah. No muscles. But yeah, welcome to the stream, everyone. We got the fish tank is going to be going on in the background. There's some light ambience music. I also have wine. We're going to relax. I lean the wrong direction. Wine.
They're actually called muscles.
Muscles. I like that. Muscles.
Whoa, cheers.
Alright, can I buy any fish? Buy some more baby fish. We bought the max amount we could afford. And so now we're broke. And then all you do when you're broke is you just wait. You wait for all these babies to grow up and then you sell them.
Yeah.
Do fish
Yeah.
have ears?
I don't think so. They have gills and maybe they gotta be able to hear. What kind of wine? Oh, rosé, Woodbridge. Woodbridge rosé. I love it. It's my fave.
Well, rosé is like a mix between red wine and white.
Yeah, it's closer to like a Zinfandel, and it's a little sweet, but not crazy sweet like a Moscato.
Well, good thing you didn't get
Tex! Holy cow, thank you, Tex! Thank you. Thank you for the 29 months. Thank you. Thanks for supporting this stream.
The reason why I say
Hype.
fun is because I got a headache from that one.
Oh yeah, some of them will give you headaches. Some of them have more of a, what is it in it? Nitrates or something they call it. And they'll give you a headache.
Yeah, I finished
Alright.
like a half bottle.
Oh you drink
Sulfates.
water.
That's it.
That's it.
Sulfates. I knew it was something like that. Crowley knows. Honestly, I feel like the strong bows that Rain likes have a lot of sulfates in them because they bother me when I drink them.
Well, and those have a lot of sugar in
The
Strongbow.
artist mate. Welcome, artist. I know because they give me headaches, right? I do like them. They taste delicious, but they end up like making my whole body kind of hurt. I don't know if that makes sense. Like everything starts getting tight and stiff and ouchy.
I understand what you mean.
I still need to try this, Stella. I snagged from you. You do.
You
Totally
stole
need to
from
try
me.
it. She swapped. She gave me what is it, Magners or however you say it, apple cider. So I have to try that one, see if it has the same effect as the Strongbow or not. I can't remember. I've had it before. I actually think I prefer it over the Strongbow because it's not as sweet.
John's gonna get a dry apple cider.
Oh, it's so good. We can't. It's so good, right? Can you get the Stella cider where you're at? Oh, I'm so jelly. I want the Stella cider. That's my fave. Adult beverage sounds so good, right? I share with you, artist.
Just out of curiosity, are you talking about Stella like Artois? Like
Yes.
beer?
Yes. There's a cider. Oh, artist, I got these gloves
I didn't
that I
realize.
want to wear when I'm painting. So I want to get them and bring them back. I've got like the whole black thing going on just for, you know, today. I don't know. I got a black skirt, black shirt. And then I've got these gloves that I want to paint in.
Isn't that a song?
Okay, now I can't find them. And I'm like, no.
I hate that when that happens when you can't find crap. I had that one time with Resident Evil 3. I lost Resident Evil 3 Nemesis. I found it and I lost it that again that very same day.
But yeah, that song is by Young Buck. Black clubs, black this, black that.
Yeah. There's also another one by Blink-182.
Probably, yeah.
Black shirt, black skirt.
Oh, that's probably Little Ones.
Yeah, no, I had an epiphany when I heard what Mona was saying. But yeah,
Okay, I'm frustrated. I can't find them. I can't find them. Oh, there they are. I just put them in here. They were in the other room. I found them. Cute outfit. That's hella cute. Thanks. Did you show my... Oh, yeah, that outfit. You're talking about artist's outfit. Yes. It Discord. One day at a time. Yes, one day at a time. One moment at a time. Not every day, just some days. Helps if I put these on the right direction. I'm gonna need instructions from a goth. You'll see. Just a second. Stella cider. Yeah. Kawaii. Yeah. You looked so cute, artist. Oh. I keep putting the gloves on upside down.
I saw the artist's outfit on Discord, and I thought
There you go, artists. Aren't they cute? Now I just like need, you know, black nails to go with it or something. They're gonna be cool, like when you're painting on the canvas and, you know, just kind of see the glow. I don't know, just something fun. I'll get paint on them, but I don't care. That'll be cute.
You wear 'em all
Oh
the
yeah, those are cool.
Yeah. All right.
I'm
Now I have to switch over to the canvas. Oh my god, trying, just a little bit. I like to do it every now and then.
dye
Probably
your hair
got dark lipstick in here somewhere. I could dig out the black lipstick.
Or and like
And
dye
really,
your hair black.
Just out of curiosity, why are you playing the fish game and using duck?
I wanted to do something different.
Because fish are.
She's trying to renew my crush on her. Yeah.
You have to renew that.
This is actually like a really, really dark purple, but it kind of looks black.
You have to go
Should we do it?
to, like, the first state.
I don't know if I could do it by looking in OBS. Alright, I'm getting my phone out. I need a camera.
You missed a spot.
I totally missed all the spots.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be on your cheek.
Right? And I don't know if it's gonna go on over top of the other one. We'll see. It's gonna look kind of weird.
It's gonna look like a blend. Like
Yeah.
more purple.
Yeah, it's not gonna be as dark.
Yeah, it's gonna be even more purple.
You almost need black lipstick to go with
Yeah.
your outfit.
Yeah.
No, that's what she was trying to. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
She
sorry.
has.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
And right as I've said that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a really dark purple black kind of color.
And then
I like it.
There we go.
makeup's making it a little bit more, I think, more purple. Not more.
Yeah.
You got the ears, you got the black shirt. You got
Yeah. There you go.
Expert at lipstick, because
I'll make my goth friends happy. Now
I can start a band.
Are we all
Name
going
it
golf?
Some 90s.
What?
I don't know. No, golf. Yeah. I'm already wearing black. That's what I wear.
Not-
anyways.
Not golf.
I'm wearing like tie dye.
No, we're all going golf as
Let's
golf
see.
people. Or golf. Can't say the word.
There.
I always wear black. So it's all good.
I'll send it to people. Let's see.
You guys need to dye your hair though black. I don't have to. Just
I don't want to dye my hair black. I like the contrast.
I'm not doing that.
then you're not really true.
Let's see.
I'm literally wearing tie dye. How could I be?
You should tie dye your hair.
Artist has green hair. That's not black.
Yeah, that's like I said, she's not a true.
She definitely is.
Well,
She dresses that way every
I have
day.
black hair, so I wear
I'm the one that experiments and dress like it every now and then.
Let's fight. Let's fight, artists. Let's do it.
What the day? What day?
Hey, everybody play nice. There's no
Uh.
fighting allowed.
No fighting allowed. Yeah.
That's a good
Let's
Or is
see.
it? How do you do that kite fight? Because there it is. I think it's a little.
Oh, cat fight. Y'all are gonna fight? Oh, yeah, you're gonna fight in cat fight.
Not me. I'm not involved. Leave me out of it.
There we go.
You're gonna mess with the bowl, you're gonna get the horn.
Alright, I gotta remember which art camera I have it on. Nope, not that one. This one.
So who's first on the list of this art?
I don't know. We hadn't gone that far. Maybe I'll just go in a circle on Discord to start with. And then
Circle.
in chat. Like, down the list too. Of who's talking. We have Shane and Artist in chat. All right, so how this is going to work is, why is it gonna go like that now? Why is it like doing orbally things? Oh, I think I know why. I think it's the other camera, the other light. This light. I had to turn off the little. She's scared. Echo. Okay, how this is gonna work is we are going to set like a timer. Yes. Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna go around the room, and each of you get to suggest what I paint, whether it be blue sky, green grass, yellow sun, tree, whatever. And this is gonna be our community painting. So in the end, I hope we come up with something a little cohesive. Still echo?
I don't hear any echo.
I drank the tea.
Oh.
Oh. Good luck.
Yeah,
I don't know. Are they echoing? Or me? Or... Say something again, guys?
Drugs.
Okay, you're only playing once.
Farts.
I am not a encore.
You're good now. I moved the mic closer. I figured maybe it was Well, that and I was talking loud.
Could be.
Just me. I probably just talking too loud or something.
Is it because one of us has our...
Ghost Mono vibes? No?
Wow, I doubt it. I didn't see anybody popping up.
I mean, I'm push talk, so it's pretty...
Hey, I refreshed it a little bit. Maybe that'll help. I don't know why it's echoing.
Yeah, I don't hear an echo.
Do you have two of our streams of this guy?
Yeah, I don't know why either. I only have one microphone. I don't even have the browser open at all, so I can't be playing myself. Let's try switching the microphone for 5 seconds to a bad version. I wonder if you hear... Oh, I see it. There we go. I see it now. You're only hearing the echo on the art canvas screen because the art camera was picking me up. Now it's gone.
That's what.
That's because usually when I stream in the kitchen, cooking, I use that microphone. So you totally were hearing that. I turned it off.
I couldn't even hear it.
To be fair, it just sounds the same. I don't know. Maybe we're sounding.
Thank you guys for letting me know. Too many cameras? Yeah. Too many mics.
It's nice to have teamwork.
Yeah.
I was like, what is going on? It's like, how is that possible? I only have one Yeti. And then I kept looking to see if my small camera in front of me was picking up, and then I finally saw that the one that says the name of that camera was
You should probably check
picking up.
your only.
See, that one's behind me.
Your only feeds camera, because I think that one's
That one's picking up too. You can hear my feet.
Yeah. I hear your feet, which is.
But that's really cool that Kraken and all your homies on Twitch. And
We're just assholes.
Yeah, thank you for telling me. I feel so bad when somebody's like,
we all came together and helped you.
yeah, because sometimes a streamer will be on for hours and nobody will tell them that they're muted.
Yeah.
And that's just telerible. It's no. Telling us is great.
Don't know.
All right.
Streaming for an hour and no one tells you.
All right, we're gonna start this process now that we've got things fixed. We're gonna I also have water. All right, Jamie, you're up first. You're first in my view. So we're gonna rotate around.
You get what, 5 minutes?
I said snail with a top hat.
A snail with a top hat. What color snail?
Well, I don't know what color snails are.
I don't know, but I have to pick pink colors.
I'll say it's pinkish, right? Like the snail.
Okay. You want a pink snail?
Sure.
With a pink top hat.
Well, no, yeah, the top hat has to be different color because then it won't. They'd all like blend into one. And stuff.
Well, probably just a black.
This is
if
gonna be
cool.
so much fun. Alright, I gotta get out the paint.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I have to get out the colors for it first, though. So, since I have no colors on my palette yet. No colors. So I got like a hot pink here.
Well, yeah, I was trying to not paint it, but we'll try to make it make sense.
It'll make some kind of sense.
Yeah, try to. I'm trying to play it.
Oh, this is gonna be bad.
No, it's gonna be amazing. What are you talking about?
It was like doing the AI photo thing, but
I know, I'm scared.
I believe in you.
I have to make it look like something good in the end. And I don't know how that's going to work.
well, you'll figure it out somehow.
Mm-hmm. Alright, black. Get some black. For his hat.
Would I believe you? You were saying that you have 5 minutes to paint each idea.
Yes.
That's what
And then we move on to the next person. Mark sounds so good. Margarita, I want to hear some good news. Yes. Tell me some good news.
I want to hear some good news.
Tell me. Get out some white in case I need it. I always need white paint. And then,
Finish editing a new reel.
ooh, you gonna post it? You're gonna post it.
You are
See.
a talented person. Yes. I always look forward to seeing your stuff.
Aw. Let's see. Okay, I've put some paint out for this. Turning 6 hours of film into 2 minutes is rough, man. It is. I mean, it also depends on how much time and detail you want to put into it. It can take longer than, you know, expected. Alright, what paintbrush do I want to start with? And do I want to have a couple at hand? I guess we'll just start with this one. See what happens.
You got some good colors going on there.
Yeah? Let's see. Rotate this. Where's my usual brushes?
I might be stuck in place here. Get someone in chat first.
Let's see, I'll tell you the order so you guys can be prepared. The order will be, yes, Michigan 2nd, Tex 3rd, Jaffrey 4th, Abandon, if Abandon wants to participate, would be 5th, and then Shane, Artist, Crowley, Kraken. We're just gonna go with that order. Don't let me forget.
Yeah, you're just gonna be part of the. When we get to your, I guess your slot, there's you have to pick for her to draw, and all of us are kind of doing it too. And
A community painting.
yeah, and just make it simple.
If you want to, you don't have to.
You don't have to think too much.
No, you gotta make it more, as complex
I want her
as
to
possible.
draw the Amazon River with all the trees. All.
Yes. Hi, Radio. Welcome. Yes. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. I always pick the art. I can't remember which camera I'm on. I've got two art scenes. I've got one for the canvas and one for when it's on my desk. And I never remember which one's which. Oh, catch Pokemon. Alright, then I have to get my timer ready. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Get some hype in chat. Thank you, Radio. Thank you for the 27 months. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you need me, I can set my timer on my phone.
I'm pretty sure she has it.
Let's see.
I know. I'm trying to be helpful.
Should we do 5 minutes each or 10 minutes?
It's up to you.
Maybe 5. Let's do 5 because there's so many of us. Sub hype. That's a cool emote. Thank you, Radio. Thank you. 5, yes. 5. That way everybody gets a turn faster.
Yeah, 5.
Sooner than later. Because then it's going to take me time between each 5 minutes to actually squeeze out the color of paint, and I'm not going to count that against you guys.
What?
All right.
Talk, bathroom breaks.
I know you like to take your time when you're painting, so like if you're rushing.
Yes, we're going to be rushing.
Yeah, that's the point. Yeah,
It's going to be rushed, and then I have to make it look beautiful. So, we'll let you run the timer for me, Joffrey.
You want me to?
Yeah, go for it. We started the timer for 5 minutes.
Yeah, just give me a sec here.
Yeah, I'll give you a second to pull one up.
Look,
Get it ready.
Canadian time's different than ours. That's different.
I gotta figure out where I'm positioning myself here. I thought I was gonna use this stool to put my paint stuff on, but I think it's in the way actually.
Yeah, no. Let me know when you want me to start the timer.
As long as I don't knock stuff over, I think we're good. All right.
All right, I'm starting the timer right now.
Boom.
So a snail with a top hat. So we're gonna keep in mind that a snail is like a swirly shape. We're gonna start with its shell, of course. And this guy has like a swirly shell.
So we're gonna
And then and a little bit more of this. I'm gonna run out of time for the top hat if I keep it up.
It's only been like, what, 20 seconds? You got time.
Tell me when I'm down to like 1 minute, please.
Alright,
You don't mind. Oh, he's got a top hat. A top hat has to be on his head. I was about to put it on the top of the shell.
Oh.
I guess I could then.
Yeah, I guess.
But now I'm putting it on his would-be head here. Of whatever this is, yeah.
That's good. That's pretty good. Me, it'd be a stick figure.
He looks like he's crying because I got a little bit of black on the brush. Poor guy. He's seen better days.
Well, the rabbit won the race, even though it's against the turtle, but same thing.
Mm-hmm. Something like that.
still got 3 minutes left.
Really?
That's plenty of time. Yeah.
5 minutes is longer than I thought.
We can go make a coffee real quick. Give it a mount.
Good. Do you need a coffee?
You almost need some slime behind them.
Oh no.
Well, we don't want to take the whole thing. Just
Slime trail. See, a
makes
little
sense.
eye. There he's like a little sneaky snake.
There you go.
Little eye there.
That looks good.
Since I never knew what he was gonna pick, so I'm gonna have talks to myself about what I'm gonna do. Inner monologue.
Well, you're next, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm trying to
he's
think of
next,
it.
so he's gonna figure out what he's doing.
Yeah. I'm just
All
doing
the
timer.
ideas. Yeah, right now. He's so cute.
That's really good.
No. I mean, I wish the camera picked it up a little better. He looks like he's glowing on the camera. I'll take it off the easel here and there and show you guys. Yeah.
I think it looks lovely.
Alright, Battle Cat, were you happy with your snail?
Yes,
This
I'm
little
happy
top
with
hat.
the snail.
This little top hat.
That is a good snail. And his name is Gary.
His name's Gary. So you have just over a minute left.
Okay.
It's pretty much almost getting there.
Oh my gosh. Meow! Thank you, Crowley! Thank you so much.
25 bits.
Thank you. Alright, that's probably it, right? Let's
Yeah,
see.
you got 30 seconds left.
Yeah, you can just call time.
Really? That was much more time than I thought, so...
I'm glad you didn't do 10 minutes.
Yeah, me too.
Universe.
I'd be like, next! See, alright, I'm cleaning my...
It's 15 seconds now.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can stop it. I'm prepping my brushes again.
Oh, I got a good one, sorry.
I'm gonna get out a few extra brushes. Alright, what's your idea, Michigan? Go ahead and tell me.
Alright. Oh, can I do it now?
You can tell me. I'm gonna get... Because I have to get the paint colors ready and stuff.
Alright, well, you remember our inside joke of the Great Lakes?
Yes.
Let's pretty much do that.
Oh, lake? Where?
I don't know. That's up to you. Aren't you the artist?
No,
Yeah.
it's up to you. You're the one coming up with the
There you
idea.
go.
No, like...
This is what we
I
have.
guess
Wait. Here.
if she doesn't know exactly
It's a
what
snail.
it is, Great Lakes.
I don't.
That was an inside joke. That would be cool. Never mind. I scratched that because I think...
No, we can do a lake.
Yeah, just do a lake. Good. Do a lake.
Yeah, we can put a lake. Snail's really cute. Thanks.
I think that snail's super cute.
He is not too bad at all. So a lake in the shape of Michigan?
Sure, do it that way. Yeah.
Cheers.
Actually, do it that way.
Thanks.
That's perfect.
Riot. Okay, let me pull up a reference material for the Michigan and the lake.
Yeah. Just remember we have an upper peninsula.
No, we're not doing. That's the only piece we're doing. We're only doing the Upper Peninsula piece, the Michigan Lake thing that you're talking about. Remember?
Oh yeah.
The Great Lakes.
Iguana got arrested for resisting arrest and trespassing.
What?
An iguana got arrested for resisting arrest and trespassing.
Seems
Due
normal.
to news website.
Okay.
What did the iguana do?
Okay, this lake is gonna look like a a dragon or something.
Resist arrest.
The iguana resisted arrest.
Yeah, but it tried running.
That was
All right.
that's good. I like that.
This is blue, so we're gonna need some blue.
This is kind of like an inner joke between me and Kimono back in the day. Lakes.
Oh,
Mhm.
I'm setting my timer right now. 5 minutes.
Okay, don't start it yet.
Yeah, she's over.
I'm still getting paint out.
She's getting all the blue.
Yeah,
I need the
let me know
blues.
let me know when to start the timer.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
I'm not trying to like force you to.
Mm-mm.
I just.
Thank
I
you,
really think
Hala.
This is so cool. I love this. And your snail is fun.
And I have to figure out how I want to pull this lake off and still be in the right dimensional plane.
Difficulty.
Yeah, because what we're talking about is actually like the Upper Peninsula of Michigan is what we're pretending is our lake.
Inside it's gonna be a lake.
So
Basically, but it's UP.
Yeah, I know the Great Lakes.
I know, not yeah. She's, anyways, inside playing it. She thought the UP was a lake when she drew it. Like,
I think I was half asleep that night.
okay. She didn't know we had a UP. Upper Peninsula.
Yeah. I didn't, apparently.
So she made it a lake.
It happened.
It was funny. That's the whole.
It was funny. I was like, oh my gosh, why did I do that?
It's up to her brain how she wants
To translate this shenanigans into
to.
a lake with a snail.
Yeah, a lake right in the.
I guess the snail's at the lake. I don't know.
That's what I was thinking, but that makes no sense. Make half of it water. No.
Yeah, it's like gonna be the bottom of the canvas is gonna be mostly a lake.
You know
That's
this
right, we
is
can
gonna
start it
turn
in the
into like a crazy combination.
No, hey.
Yeah.
It's gonna show up like it's just gonna be a.
Is that the right one to get lucky? No. It's the one I don't have programmed.
Okay, let's see this beautiful.
Alright. I need the timer. I'm ready.
All right, timer starting right now.
Oh crap, I forgot to go to that screen. There it is.
Well, you got
want me to
time. It's not that
restart
hard.
No. You're good. Okay, we've got this,
I think I'm just gonna ruin the whole thing.
it looks like a kraken or something, I mean, or a dragon, I mean.
Yeah, the part that connects to Wisconsin.
Yeah, it looks like a... It kind of comes down like this. And then it goes over like this. And this is just very, very abstract here. There you go. There's your lake. It's like a pond. It's like a puddle. Is it a puddle? Looks like a fish.
I'm about to say, it looks like you,
I'm painting one of my fish.
a monster.
I did. I made a monster. And that's how we're starting it. And then, I don't know. I'll turn it into more of a lake in a minute, maybe. But there's your shape for you, Michigan.
Well, that's technically the UP, I guess.
Is that what y'all call it? UP?
Yeah, UP, yeah. Upper Peninsula. Yep, Upper Peninsula.
Yeah.
And they call us trolls because we're under a bridge. Because there's a bridge that.
Oh my gosh. It's more of a puddle it is. There's a puddle.
Damn, I should have. Yeah, well, it's close enough. Yeah.
Close enough what?
You could tie it to something.
Alright. So should we tie it to something?
Well,
Should we make it more of a lake?
You have 2.5 minutes left on my timer.
Oh no! It's going by faster this time.
Well, your timer is different.
I don't have a timer.
What do you mean?
There's a timer
On the top left, you're talking about the Pokemon timer?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, that's the 15-minute Pokemon
Yeah,
timer.
so you have 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Alright.
It just looked like I just told you to make a blob.
I did. I made a blob.
That almost looks like a blue fault core.
I'll be right
The
back.
never ending story.
Well, it will kind of blend in because now the snail looks like it knows where water is.
Oh, I like it. It's cool.
It knows where water is.
I like the shading.
Yeah. I can make it stay. I keep blending it away by accident. Too many colors on my...
I'm the one that always says, keep it simple, and I'm like, hey, let's make it hard.
Right? Yeah, you're like made it really hard.
I know, like, it's...
You could have just done, like,
I was...
plain blue water at the bottom of the canvas. Instead, you're like...
That's what I thought about.
Michigan.
No, this is what I thought about. But then I realized, well,
Oh,
that's
catch.
not...
It looks like a. It looks like a.
It's a shark. Yeah.
Yeah, well,
It actually looks more like a dolphin than a shark.
yeah, I'm just gonna say
Alright. Is my time up yet?
You got 50 seconds left.
I know when this painting's done, I'll be like, who's the one that told you to do a blob?
That was you. You wanted the blue blob thing with...
It makes sense, though, with the snail.
And
Alright,
then...
30 seconds.
There. I put the little piece up top again now. There.
So, 20...
It looks like a tuna fish.
Yeah.
It's a fish. It just needs an eye.
9, 8, 7, 6,
Alright.
5.
Putting the paintbrush down. Move this over.
This is funny. I'm
That's
like,
it.
let's keep it
That's-
simple,
that's
guys.
time.
I'm like, hey, guess what?
It's time.
Ta-da! What you think? There's the fish.
Who's next?
Who was it on the circle? Who did I say?
Tex is right.
Tex, yeah. Yeah, Tex.
Hola.
You did good, though.
Thanks.
You did really good.
Alright, Tex, what are you contributing to the community painting? What would you like to see?
What do I have to?
Anything that takes less than 5 minutes to draw.
Yeah.
Add to what's already been done, or not?
Yes, yes.
Well,
We're
that's-
adding to this.
Yeah, in a sense.
But you can come up with anything new. Like, as far as like parts of it.
It doesn't have to be themed. She just has to figure out how to connect.
I have to figure out how to make it work.
Like Sheffield United, your favorite team.
Yeah, you can you could take a running jump.
It has to be simple enough. It has to be
Yeah.
simple enough. It can't be something too complex.
Yeah, like 5 minutes max.
The
Guess that's
Pokemon
it.
keep
I didn't-
escaping.
I didn't hear what
That's-
everyone said. Is that fish?
It's a snail and
that
it's a fake Lake Michigan. It's the Michigan Peninsula.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she thought it was a lake. So, that was that
It's
joke.
gonna torture me forever.
Yes, it will. It'll be on your tombstone.
Could you do a hockey goal, then a hockey stick snapped in half over the top of the crossbar? In 5
Perfect.
minutes?
Hockey
Yeah, I
goal
think she could.
and a hockey stick snapped in half. Okay. Trying to picture that. So, hockey goal. And a hockey stick, like, broken, just setting on top of it. Is that what you're saying?
Or like say the crossbar's there and then it's snapped over the crossbar.
What's the crossbar?
The top bar of the net.
It's the top bar of the hockey net.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like the thing is broken across the top of it?
So there's the side crossbars that are the net, and then the top bar is the crossbar.
It's
Okay.
almost like when a player gets super mad, they smash it on top of it.
Oh.
To give a more visual.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to go for. But I didn't want to involve player because that might take a little bit too.
Yeah. You try to keep it. I tried to give a picture up for her. Maybe
You have 30
something.
seconds. 30 seconds left. You can always draw a stick man and snap it over.
like I do.
Wait. Well, I thought Mono.
It would be complete without a hockey reference, right?
Oh yeah.
I should have done it. I thought about, she should draw the red means thing, but she don't know how the logo looks like per se. So I was like, I'm not doing that.
That or put a big carp on it.
Okay, so Mono, do you want me to set the timer?
You
least
can go
get
and
ready.
set the timer, but don't start it yet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I have. I already have it set.
Yeah.
So just let me know when you want me to start it.
Okay. I gotta like how to make it look like a goal other than just like a square shape. You know.
I mean, the back bar is quite round, so if you did it like an angle, you could.
Well,
Definitely not a square.
You guys gotta let her know because she's not like a huge sports fan. So
Well, she just looks at a goalie net. It's kind of round at the top. It's not like a.
Yeah, it's got like a flat dome thing.
Yeah.
That's fun cuts for community, right? I have no idea what we're gonna end up with at the end. Like it's gonna be a
It's like we're
bunch
making-
of little miniature pictures, and then I'm hoping somebody comes along to help me tie them together, like with a color or pattern or something.
I just feel like we're making Michigan.
All right.
That or put your logo bang in the middle and then everything connects to it.
Yeah, that makes sense. And then have like tails that come off of it, like a squid.
Logo what?
Nothing. No, he said
Your Twitch logo type of thing. If not, if you're struggling with that one, just put your Twitch logo in. I'm sure you could draw that in 5 minutes.
I don't know about that.
But that changes the whole dynamic.
Yeah, true.
As in, like,
Let's see.
that's your idea. You can't change it. No, I've changed mine 10 times.
Why don't you guys send her a picture of a hockey net? That would make
I've
it-
got
She
one
can
up.
Google.
I already did. Yeah, I already
She already
googled it.
knows how it rounds up top.
Yeah, I googled it. I was like, I need to see this. And now I gotta find my colors. I was hoping not to have to Google stuff, but I needed to.
Well, I think
Kind of get a better idea of what I'm doing.
maybe I should say draw a line.
Let's see.
Just make it simple. Just
Could make it so that the snail looks like he is skating on the blue part with the hockey goal on the side, maybe. Oh yeah, I could do that. Maybe I could put like the hockey thing over here.
Then,
Oh, you can't see that, but over here.
Stick snapped either. Just put a stick near him so it looks like he's about to do something. Opens it up to someone else then.
Let's see.
Just make it a Red Wings fan beating up a New York Ranger fan.
All right. All right. So I gotta turn my chair.
Yeah, that's why.
I wish this was brighter. so you can see it better without putting this on there, because when I put it on there, then it kind of does weird lighting things, and it still doesn't make it better. Don't catch me!
No, it's not bright enough. You need more.
Right? Like, stop already. And then if I turn it off,
Then you can.
if I turn it off, then you've got like, I don't know.
Oh, so I do have an idea. You should put the goalie net on the lake.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, put it like right here.
Make
On
the
this
snail
side.
go.
I could
I
do that.
just to make it so that water technically
Yo.
has a goalie net on it. It's just a frozen lake.
I was thinking the same thing, like the goalie around the snail. That would be.
Yeah, that does connect it.
Like the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put some skates on it.
Just give the snail a hockey stick so it looks like he's in goal.
Okay. Give the snail a hockey stick and put the goal around the snail.
That's perfect.
You know, hold up the light to the canvas so it looks like you're interrogating it now, right? Boops. Hey, Mono, to say hello and wish her a fun stream. Thank you, Silent. Hope you're doing well. I don't foresee this happening. It's gonna be random collage and honestly fits us, right?
I'm setting my timer.
Right? Totally true.
Should I set my timer now?
This is a fun concept of the part. Yeah, I mean, set it, but don't hit start. Yeah. I mean, you can hit start now. We can start now.
When she
Just let me
says
let me know when it's
ready.
Go ahead and hit start. Ready?
Okay, perfect.
And then I'll mix some colors here. I gotta make some red.
No, yeah, you should be started.
I need a red goal.
You want me to start it? I just want to
Yeah.
make sure.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Gotta hit start. Started. Now I'm getting out another color. I'm shattered and about to sleep, but I had to pop in to make sure you're okay. I'm doing good, thank you. Get lots of good sleeps. Sleeps is important and very good for you.
You can sleep.
Start mixing your colors.
Not yet.
Feels.
Mixing. Mix faster. I didn't want to use the exact same red as the snail, so I'm trying to make like a
It should be
Or-
brighter anyways. Yeah, a brighter red.
orangey red color, yeah.
It'll be recognizable.
Yeah, it's usually.
I hope so.
We're just making.
Alright, wish me luck. See, it's just gonna look like a weird shape for me. It's just gonna be like, here's the thing.
Get a bunch of hockey people, and it's like, we're not gonna talk about hockey.
Yeah, we're not gonna talk about this.
Crowley said straight away, oh yeah.
I need to get a bigger palette for painting. Have a good sleep. Drink more water. Posture check. Okay. I'll be sure to do that when my 5-minute timer is up. I don't know if this nail is proportional to a goal, but this
Oh,
is
that's
our
what's
tips.
That's a good goal post.
It's our attempt. Because then you see
Yeah,
like just a
three-
little bit of it,
You
right?
have 3 minutes left.
That's it? Dang it. Okay.
So Steel's gonna have a hockey stick.
Yeah, he's gonna have a hockey stick.
Keep going. No, she's
He'll have a hockey stick. What color should his hockey stick be? Yellow, maybe?
typically
Black?
black.
Any colour you
I
like.
think that's. Yeah, to be
Okay.
fair, yeah. It could be any color, but usually.
They're
black is
blackish. Okay.
Like,
Like,
that typical.
does it need to be like
color.
the size of him? Like a tiny little hockey stick? Or just like.
No, I think that's
No, it could
perfect.
be.
You make
Or,
it
like,
big
through
or small
him.
as you want.
Yeah, that we'll leave it up to your imagination.
You're almost
Okay.
making it look like the Instagram.
It could be a floor hockey stick.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I don't know.
You're doing a good job. That's
I
perfect
like
size.
He's like, I'm playing hockey. There we go.
Yeah, and then throw some mesh in the background. Netting.
If she has time.
Yeah.
To be fair, it's a white.
You have 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah,
1 minute and
you
45
should
seconds.
Like,
Do
it looks good
mesh.
enough without-
I mean, it's gonna look messy if I try to do mesh, I
I'm not trying to
think.
force
Yeah,
it.
don't do that.
A few lines, like a few check lines and kind of.
Yeah.
angles.
Let's see. The paint is so thick.
Yeah, that's true. Like, yeah, just scribble it out. Scribble it in. Use the
Yeah, that
scribbles.
look, yeah.
It's just funny. We're basically just making a hockey.
It's not even gonna look like a goal by the time the day goes off.
No, it's good. Like,
I like it.
there's art. Yeah, you do this where it's kind of like that.
So we got 50 seconds left.
50. That's a long
Okay.
time.
Alright, I need another brush.
That's what he
I
said.
need another brush.
I got my timer.
How dare you? Hey, Wiggles.
34 seconds left.
No!
Oh, Wiggles is 29 too.
Hello, hello, hello! Oh,
You-
oh no.
John so the same thing.
I'm murdering it.
No, it looks good. I like it.
Oh.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Perfect. Done. Oh.
No, I messed it up at the end. It's done. Oh, that's sitting here and say, hello, welcome, Wiggles. Good job with the goal. I don't know, it just looks like a scribble.
I like it.
It's good.
Yeah, I really
This is
like
when I'm playing hockey super drunk. This is what the goal looks like.
it. with a snail wearing a
Yo, no,
top hat.
especially in the snail. Especially in the snail.
There you go, guys. There you go. Alright, I gotta go through and see what I missed. I missed Wiggles. Thank you so much for the sub, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That many. I've captured the cream ice. Cream of ice. Ooh, ice cream, yes.
Oh yeah, I might say he's in Chicago. Or he's by-
Who needs scale or proportion? Exactly. UIB. Okay. Posture check. Drink more water. And back to I need a bigger palette for painting. Yeah, I feel like I need a bigger one today. I may have to go grab the other one and have two on standby.
Watch the next.
Just
one.
landing in
Next one.
Chicago, about to drive home. Oh, have a safe trip home.
Had a good time partying with him in my hometown.
Alright. Water time. Posture time.
You're all scared of my next.
Yeah, yours gonna be like a
Yeah.
camel. How does
Yep.
that make sense?
Tell us your idea. Go ahead, start talking so I can get my colors ready.
Well, I want a sunset in the background
Ooh,
Oh, sun, basically.
that'd be fun.
with
Let's just do it then.
so sunrise in the background with that's it. I'll just leave it at that.
Sunset.
I would say
Okay.
seagulls.
Well, and maybe some birds flying in the back.
Yeah, like seagulls, like with that, like little, like
Okay.
seagull, basic seagull thing.
Sunset and birds.
Yeah, exactly.
And maybe some trees, you know.
Tree line.
The Bob Ross
That's
trees.
far away.
Bob Ross. Happy little tree line. So you basically want to set the background. Dancing cactus.
Ryan from Sheffield.
Maybe
Sheffield
throw in
United.
maybe throw in a giraffe with an afro.
What? That'd be too many. That's too many requests.
He got 5 minutes, not 5 years.
Yeah.
It's not
Alright, so
Christmas.
sunset, tree line, and little birds. I want chicken doing the chicken dance.
Well, when it comes to actually keep that
Of course,
remind
Wiggles
yourself.
would ask for that.
All right. Ryan, who wants to fall in the paint? Let's see if he does that again.
Oh yeah. When he gets drunk, Ryan. He falls.
Yeah, he fell in the paint last time I was painting. Yeah, he did. Totally fell in the paint.
But yeah, so let me know when you want me to set the timer.
Okay, it's gonna be a minute. I'm gonna go refill my wine and bump up the AC first. And then also I have to get my palette ready.
I love this whole situation.
It's challenging for sure.
So in the end, Mono, is this worth it for you? Like, the St. Jude's, everything, you know, what was it, like over $3,000 that we got? I can't hear you.
She's not at her
What?
desk.
But like that's amazing. Like over $3,000 raised just
Yep,
from
for the
us?
kids.
Like that's fucking insane.
I know a lot of people get tattoos of St. Jude because 86 cents of a dollar goes to the kids. It's not like they don't take a lot, like a lot of what's it called, head, or a lot of, you know. It's not, you know.
No, I know what you mean, Joe. I know what you mean. Like, so for me, because I put in $25 and then I think it was like another 10, and they didn't really take much from me. It all went to golf.
No, you have to sell your first child though. Pretty sure.
But like, the first 25.
He's
bucks
so
that
rude. Chicken boy.
Yeah, he's from Sheffield.
Cactus
that's
man.
why.
The first $25 that I actually donated was for toys for the kids.
That's cool.
Yeah, we call it Toys for Tots here.
Well, toys for tots.
He's talking about for St. Jude. There's an option.
What's up, sinners?
Hey, welcome.
Hello.
We ain't no juice.
Alright, what did I do with that? There it is.
Who are you? I met you before.
I'm in an Uber, just leaving O'Hare, trying to get to my truck.
Oh, okay, yeah. You parked it over there.
Yeah, like honestly, I'm really proud to be a part of, donating to this cause.
No, that's awesome.
I'm gonna have to be careful with that behind me. Maybe I'll put this up here.
It is glad. Are you gonna try to murder Ryan with that?
Yes.
No, it's my brother.
It's my brother. No, I'm sorry with the glad.
Yeah, dude.
He's
Make
making
it
all
like
the noises.
That's how you
so
murder somebody. Well, you're gonna lose a brother tonight. Sorry, Ted.
It's a cheat way to cover your palette and clean it really quickly. You just take it off and toss it. Jeez, get violent over there.
He just starts screaming. Like, what the heck?
He is. He's copying all the noise. Oh, wait.
Because he's from Sheffield.
Turned all the way around already.
How about Sheffield United?
He's got his googly eyes on still.
No, we have to fight tonight, or else what's the point?
Alright. Sunset. Okay.
Everybody needs to remember what Riggles said.
Thank you for the biddies! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Who redeemed Ryan anyway?
Shocky. Electro.
Like, he's a very rude. Ryan's very rude.
He is really rude.
Over her all the time.
He doesn't ever shut up. He's just a copycat.
He just danced when you did that. He didn't even say anything. At least on my side.
Yeah, he was like,
He's like, what?
wild. Just wild.
Oh, yeah,
Trying to figure out how to
yeah.
pull this off where it just looks
Well, that's what the artist does.
Yep.
3D model. Where's here giving you
The cactus is sassy. Yeah. Sassy just like
That's
Kraken.
That's definitely a sassy cactus.
Yeah. You don't want to fight it because you'll get poked.
Oh.
And now it has eyeballs now. So.
Eyes. Where did it get
As
eyes?
Yeah, you know, yeah. From Sheffield, so probably has some
Weird stuff going on. You love the hockey jersey on him? Yes. He's a huge fan of Tex.
My biggest fan, apart from that one I had in my room.
Yeah, he was the one that helped you through your career, I believe. Ryan.
Is he your only fan? Only fans. God. No. Tex has all the fans. And not the box variety.
Does Ryan pay rent? I just realized, like, you just live in
No, he just hides in the closet and thinks
It's like,
that's
hey, I
okay.
don't have room, so you can't, you can't hit me with rent when I live in a closet.
Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna take 3. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I usually plan out my gradients a little better. We're gonna go for it. Got paint all over my fingers.
How dare you.
Thank you for the 48 bits. I've almost ate the whole tub already. Oops. Oh my god, what kind is it? What kind of ice cream is it? Is it delicious?
Don't give me a bad
Electro, he is really rude? What? Name, correct. Dulce de leche. I love the matcha ice cream. It's so good. Alright, say goodnight. Good night. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Hey, at least he didn't fall in the
I'm moving him out of the way so he doesn't fall in, yeah. I want him to fall in while I'm...
When Ryan gets drunk,
Yeah.
it's out of control.
I moved this out of the way.
You're unmuted. That we can hear your phone.
Yeah,
And
I was
then I have-
watching Baldur's Gate 3.
get some paint prepped here.
All about that paint, about that paint.
At least a little bit prepped.
Did I put too much information into that?
No, it's a sun with seagulls. I hope I'm not adding things to that.
I'm glad you reminded me about the birds. I forgot about them already.
Well, it's up to him. If he says no, then it's just.
Because I think it would really match with the background.
It's a nice sunny, icy day.
Yeah, I mean, I wish you would have went first, because it's easier if we start with the background instead of trying to put it in after.
Nice.
I made a purchase, so I need to bed soon. It may leave my suggestion with you. Please incorporate either a microphone or a stethoscope. Okay, got it. We'll do it. Good night, Shade.
Yo, I'm scared. He just walked past.
We'll catch. Thank you for the biddies. Alright, we can do the timer now. Let's get ready. Let's see. Can go. I can close this out of the way. Shoot, how do I get the balls again? Oh, like this. There you go. There you go. Like that. And our fish pond is growing. We've got more fish.
I do like if we all stay in the same structure.
Well,
We've got
and
fish. Big fish.
That's what my goal was, right? Because you guys had like the ocean and everything. I was like, okay, let's put it back on.
I'm left, but is it her turn next? Or was it her?
Oh shit.
Anyways, I wanted a rainbow.
Thank you, Kimono. You're welcome. Okay, I'm ready when you are. You're ready. All right. Tell me when I have 5 minutes and it's go time. Oh, I gotta change the screen.
Hold on. Yeah. Give it a sec. 5 minutes starting.
I love how when I participate, everyone catches it.
Can you hear me, Mono?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I can start 5 minutes in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. You wonder what this is? This is actually white. Giving it a little bit of a white coat to get started, so it'll be easier to spread the colors.
If it has something to slide on, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I knew that. It's something.
It'll help me make them go across faster. So that I can, add them in.
Me doing it, it would just be an ice skater skating
Okay.
and a snail.
An ice skater what? A snail?
Skating around, there's a snail on the ground. Like, that's how bad I would. It'd be a stick figure. Yeah.
Oh.
A stick. And that's about it. And a sun. Mine would be more one-dimensional. I'm making that 3D line. I feel like we're just missing a SpongeBob.
SpongeBob's.
I don't know, it just seems like a SpongeBob's to be
I'd
okay.
rather
Yeah, so
not it not be commercial if we can help it though, you
It
know,
was a
like
joke, but like it just
yeah.
it just reminded me of like
I think Discord was just having
it could be like top half it's sunset and
Maybe.
bottom half is below at sea, and that's when you've got your creature that
yeah, you got the
Yeah.
under the sea and the
No,
sun
that's
spot.
I like this.
I just like the order today too. I should have changed my name to like start with an A. So I was sort of scared. Got 3 lords open here.
one real one.
You got 2 minutes left.
Okay. Alright. That's where you come in with the trick brush. And blend all of that's right near the edge.
Yep.
Right, we gotta get our birds on there. And our trees. We not have time for the trees. I want to do the trees though.
You got 1 minute and 18 seconds left.
Okay. Hold choice.
Just do the song. That's the main one.
Oh, he said sunset. He didn't say sun.
It only needs to be off.
I was like, try to do some Bob Ross trees real quick.
I'm loving this already. It's too good.
Was it? Yeah, that's a happy mistake.
Yep.
We got
Happy little trees.
a certain amount of time.
Some of them are in the foreground.
We got 30 seconds left. What do we got?
30 seconds.
Oh, okay, perfect. My biological clock is working.
No.
I'm liking this so far. 20 seconds.
Okay.
You're good.
Let's see.
But don't forget, we could keep going, and then someone could say, add more detail to this, add more detail to.
Right.
Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it.
You got 3 birds in there. I don't know if you can see them, but
Negative
did.
1, negative 2, negative.
No, I like that. That's cool.
Hello,
We got
everybody.
what, 3?
hello.
We got 3 seagulls.
There you go.
2. No, 3. Yeah.
Cow bullfish? Is that a cow bullfish? Something like that. Yeah.
I like it.
Something like that. There you go so far.
Yeah.
It looks like a Michigan dream right now. Like I'm just dreaming. I fell asleep.
I only licked you, silly.
So who's next?
Somebody in chat. It was what? We
wasn't that
said
odd? Wasn't that
Shane, artist, and Crowley.
odd? I know Odd was here.
Yeah.
Oh, where did
Yeah,
Oh,
they
no,
left
she
though.
has her. Oh no, she said on the top right, rainbow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Rainbow. Okay.
rainbow skies, I guess.
Oh well, that's kind of what we just did, isn't it?
Yeah, no, a sunset with
I
rainbow
love
skies.
that. It's really cool.
Okay, so that falls in. That falls right in with what we just did for him then. Rainbow sunset.
Was
And
it-
then, huh?
Yo, Mono, you did a really good job with the sky. I like
Thank you. I tried. I wish the lighting was better. Say,
No, but
Alexa,
for
office
that-
light
for
blue.
For like a rushed job, you did really.
Let's see if this works better. Showing the colors.
The chat can't see this, but this
Yeah,
is-
it looks like neon. I don't know why it's doing that.
Oh my god, that stupid picture that you
I'm keeping it.
It's like,
not you, Mono.
why does it look
The
like
one
that?
that fucking Joe.
Let's
showed.
see. Alexa, office light white.
This beautiful art.
God, now I'm blind. I want to be in the dark, and I can't be in the dark. I gotta, like, paint in the light, and I hate it. Why do blue? Because I don't like it, like, bright white in here. I don't. It makes me look sick
You look
and
whiter.
pale.
It makes you
Yeah.
look
You don't look sick. You still look cute. Shush.
Thanks. I'm embracing my goth. I look like death
It
now.
doesn't help you wear black, so everything else gets.
I mean, and your eyes
Cheers.
are blue, so
If we ever hang IRL, Kimono, I want to do a golf look on you with like eyeshadow and stuff.
Yes. It's been a while.
Yeah.
I've done that, but
Can't be
it's
true
been a
goth
while.
without black. Sorry.
I definitely could use tips though.
Black hair.
Decided goes on who? So who next decides what goes on the painting? We are down to, I think it was, the order was Artist, Crowley, Shane, Kraken. Yes, that's what I had originally said.
And do it.
There's like a big blob there. Okay, I just now see that. That's gonna bother me. There's like a
called the art.
there's like a big blob of green sitting there, just like chunks.
Well, you can edit it at the end. It's not like a. Or maybe.
Been betrayed, rude.
because you did the snail with the top of that, and then you did the
Yeah, artist. What are we painting next?
No, it's actually the UP underneath, but that's
yeah
a
the
secret.
UP. Yeah.
Artist, what are we adding to this painting? I really want to fix parts of it, but it's not gonna happen.
No, I think at the end, just no, or now. At the end, will be too
Artist,
dry.
you just have to come with me to visit Mono so that we can both pounce at the
Green
same-
hedgy. Oh my gosh, a green hedge. Aw,
That
that's
would be
me so cute. All right.
be the other one playing hockey. The snail could be playing
I just
hockey
can't wait
against
until
the
somebody says, "Oh, there's a camel walking by."
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Artist asked, can it be on the top of the goal about to walk off?
Yeah, we can do that.
The baseball walk off.
We can do that. We can do that. We can put it right there.
Because they can't see very well and they like to wander, according
No,
to artists.
don't fall off. Don't fall off. And being green actually reminds me of the Pokemon, Shaman, the green hedgehog Pokemon.
Oh, yeah. God, I haven't thought about
They
that
like
one
to
in a
wander.
minute.
Yeah, it's so cute. It has like a little flower on it. So that makes me think of that one. Alright, I'm gonna grab some paper towels because I may dab a little bit of paint off for where I'm gonna put that one. But I'm not layering lots of oil paint.
Yeah, you're allowed some edit.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
If my
It's not like it
camera
has to be.
I think you've done a
What
wonderful job
Pokemon
so
looks
far.
like for the people in Discord for what Kimono was talking about.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's what she wants to do.
The like green looking hedgehog with the
Yeah,
pink
no,
flower.
it's actually that's awesome. He showed me because I had no idea. Oh, she wants a Green Bay Packer, but
No, we know artists. It just made us think of that Pokemon.
we have a lot of.
Just love hedgies and green, right? It's just the first thing I thought of when you said green hedgehog. I was like, oh, I know a green hedgehog.
Just the connections and the brains.
Mm-hmm. It's taking a little bit of paint off, so it'll allow me
Oh, so
to.
it'll show better.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
oil paint, it does not dry.
Oh, right, you use oil normally.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then that way it'll actually like show up on the color instead of blending together.
Mm-hmm.
I
It
need to
should
get into
still
oil
show.
paint.
Oh, pretty good, but I just wanted to give myself a little bit spot to work with.
That makes sense.
You don't see this. Big blob. Okay. That's gone. Catch. However, I love Shaman. I've wanted it as my starter for so long, right? I wish it could be a starter.
It's very starter coded,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not.
Is it considered a legendary, or is it considered like just a... What do they call it? The mythical. It's mythical. That's what it is, I think.
Look it up. It is a grass type mythical.
Yeah.
From introduced in Generation 4.
So who wants to clean all my paintbrushes at the end of the night? That's the real question, because I'm like
Who's
dirtying
supposed
up
to?
so many.
That's part of the reason why I've been using the paint markers that my husband got me a lot more, just so that I don't
Yeah.
have as much cleanup to do afterwards.
Yeah, it's like I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brushes already. 9, actually.
Nah, it just gives you the opportunity to be like Bob Ross and beat the devil out of it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Can get
I
your,
usually do that after stream, though. I like sit here and clean them all at one time.
Get the
Yeah, it gives
anger
it like she
management out.
smells the brush. That's why she does it
Hey,
off stream.
I caught the Pokemon. I don't.
That's why.
Can't find half yours since moving? No! Beat the brushes.
Beat the bushes.
Bushes or brushes?
Bruh. You gotta beat the devil.
I know 4 words. And
Yeah.
I say them.
You know, as an artist, I don't know why I picked a white desk and a pink keyboard and a pink mouse. And I'm trying to keep it clean.
Well, I know why the pink. I don't know why the white, though.
Because I just like the white and pink kind of theme everywhere. Like, actually, now you can see my curtains are actually tan, but they look pink on camera.
They do, actually.
Yeah, they're actually tan.
She
But
lies about
they
her
show up
colors.
pink. There is a pink rug and like a rainbow pink rug on the wall for sound.
I feel the pink and the white aesthetic though, because in my room I have it purple with white trim.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm back.
Purple and white sounds pretty. So far. So after time, the desk shows all the creative and memories you made in the future.
There you go.
Probably. Unless I like painstakingly clean it, which I usually do. But I would say my stool definitely does. This is what I usually put my paint palette on and sometimes brushes. And it's starting to get paint and colors on it through time.
There you go. Nah, just use the stool as another palette. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's gonna actually.
I need to bring it back over here. It wasn't going to.
This is funny when I see your chair go into
the camera.
The painting. Yeah.
I
Right.
sent you a music video, probably.
What's up, Metalcat? I gotcha.
Gun show!
Lady, but I don't know if you ever heard of it.
Yeah!
But it
I'll
is,
check it out.
All the messes.
yeah. It's got a screen, but it looks like it kind of looks like a...
When it first happens, I'm like, no! But then after a couple more, I'm like, alright, another memory unlocked. That's cool. That's a good way of putting it.
I'm gonna do the timer since
Is Jeffrey gone?
Yeah.
Oh, did he? I didn't even know he left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did he dip or did he say he was going to walk the dog?
I already did that. He's probably just having his thing.
Oh. Probably because I was talking. Talk too much. Talk too
Oh
much.
no.
Just let, yeah,
Not
just
like
let
you're
me know when
sleeping or
you're
anything.
close. Just say the word ready, I'll
See.
hit the button. It's very simple for me.
Okay, I'm gonna get some green ready.
Green, green, green.
Look at it.
All the greens.
Mm-hmm. Gotta make sure I get enough green out.
I put in my list because I didn't.
I kind of need some white.
So I just put in one of my playlists so I can copy it and send it to you.
I got you, bud.
Got the audience.
The goth besties were yapping. The one is a fraud. I know nothing of this fraud. It's all good. I can respect the look and have fun. I'm definitely not a goth. I'm the opposite most of the time.
I'm unfollowing.
Guilty giggle, yes.
It's really funny because a lot of the time I'll dress in black and stuff, but I don't
I'm always
consider
wearing
myself.
Me
I don't
too.
consider myself goth necessarily because that also has like its own like subculture and stuff. If that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm the same way where I wear all black, but I'm not. Yeah, I don't. I guess.
It's a lot easier to make outfits when everything is the same color.
Yeah, exactly. Black looks good. It's just,
Yeah.
How do you handle when you have multiple shades of black and they're just like clashing?
But I know why your background looks different.
Me?
Yeah, I'm posted up.
Oh,
yeah,
let's see.
Uh,
Oh, her. Yeah.
yeah. Blazing different.
I'm posted up because of the surgery that I had.
Black clothes don't mean goth. True.
Yeah, exactly.
true.
That's what I was saying.
It matches my black hair. That's why I do it. It's just makes sense.
All right. You got a 5-minute timer ready, Michigan?
Yeah, just say the word.
For this cute little green hedgie that I need to paint. I need another brush.
Green hedgehog about to walk off the edge of the goal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright. Hit start.
Right. That's not the word. Ready is the word. I'll do it.
Ready?
The other one was typing.
Ready.
I can't use that.
It's like SpongeBob.
Did you do it
Ready.
yet?
Yeah.
Tell me when.
Yeah,
Ready?
go.
No, it's going.
Go, go, go.
You
Okay.
gotta say Rebecca. That's what you gotta say Rebecca.
Rebecca.
No, that's for Final Fantasy, sillies.
We need all the little spikies. And then I feel like I need a better picture of the hedgehog. We're just gonna wing it here.
Well, I like the glove that you're wearing.
Thank you.
Now you just need to get like a nice, black dress, and there you go.
I got a black skirt on.
Yeah, black.
But yeah, I do have a fancier dress, but I didn't want to wear it and get paint on it. I have one with like really long sleeves and stuff that I wore in New Year's.
Well,
With
on
like
your only,
the lace sleeves and stuff. It was really cool.
your only feet. She's wearing black socks.
Hi Rando, I hope you're doing awesome. I'm on a timer, so I'll stop in
Can
just
I
a second.
have a link to the only feet?
Only
Oh, it's premier people only.
cat paws.
$5 million. Like
Catpaws.com. Yeah.
stpauls.com.
Yeah, I'll look that up in a minute.
You probably shouldn't.
Yeah, who knows what you're gonna get?
Some like black, like with a dark web website or something like that.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
2 minutes and 40
I was
seconds.
wondering what you had in your hand, and I'm like, oh wait, it's the fan.
Yeah, no, it's it was hot today, and I'm built for the cold.
Just don't wear black and you'll be fine.
It's a cute little hedgehog. Oh my gosh. So excited. It's so cute. Alright, where's the one for the black?
Artist, sorry. No, artist did a good job, like the placement, because that was a good placement.
Try to put the little nose on there without making a mess. It's so cute.
Well, if the puck goes flying, though, it might hit it.
Oh no. Poor Hedgie.
He's gonna be.
Hey, you gotta go fast.
What artist? You're an artist? I did not know that. I did not know that. I thought her name was Art.
Alright, maybe it passes inspection.
Hey, Joe, do you do pinball?
Trying to paint the legs and they keep merging.
Hold on. 1 minute left.
Cause there's a place I already told Pat about it.
There.
In Rockford. It's called
The ball up with scared. So cute. It's been a long time since I've seen one of your streams. Anyways, how's it been? It's been great. It's been great. It's good to see you.
I might go check it
I
out.
think I managed the hedgie.
I'll probably go check it out at some point. Would you want to come with us?
Sorry. Maybe, hold on. 30 seconds. Yeah.
30 seconds.
Maybe.
I'll let you know if it does happen and it gets closer. I don't know if that's something you'd be into.
I feel like it's half a hedgehog. Maybe I didn't make him long enough. I don't know. I kind of wanted to do the little pink flower.
10 seconds.
But I'm not going to make it Pokemon.
5 seconds.
Alright,
4,
okay. I'm putting down the palette. Putting down the palette. We're good, we're good. Alright, and then I will show you guys.
You got that quick in 5 minutes. There's no way I could have done that.
Are hedgehogs and porcupines related? Ooh, I don't know. Tail? It has no tail! Oh, wrong thing.
What's the relationship?
I always have to have a filler under.
It has no tail!
Well, it got cut off at birth.
Tailless.
It's
tailless.
What is the relationship between the snail and the hedgehog?
They're friends. Huh. It's more like we need to fill in.
Fill in what?
It's weird. We need to like almost make it all ice at the bottom, like in a weird way, and then have people.
There, you see nothing. You see nothing.
No, it's very true. She is lying. She's actually.
There's a tail. There's a tail. No. Yeah, I did it. I did it right then. So now you're gonna see it. But yeah, we haven't checked on our fish in a while. Let's see. Who's next? It was Crowley, if I remember, and then Kraken.
Oh, it's my turn now?
Yeah, it's your turn.
Oh shoot, I gotta figure out what the heck I want in the painting.
And then... And if you want Kraken to go first, I can. Doesn't matter. And I still need to paint shells. Shane said a stethoscope.
I just
I don't know how I'm gonna incorporate that yet. He said a
Honestly-
stethoscope or something else. What did he say?
I can't remember.
Trying to scroll back up to see what he said. A microphone or a stethoscope. Okay, don't let me forget that.
I just know that obviously there's a lot of
Oh,
empty space.
hang on.
Since when did you start wearing back gloves? Just occasionally. Just rare. Today I'm wearing like all the black stuff.
No, she
Can we
always does this.
do-
So
Can we do, like, if you fill in the bottom with a little bit more blue, and then have a turtle singing into a microphone,
perfect.
Yeah.
and then that way it's incorporating the
Yeah.
microphone into it?
So we got a turtle,
Space.
a microphone, and some more blue. Okay, fill in the blue.
At the end of the day, if there's just blue on there, that will recognize our horrible joke.
Alright.
Well, it's because I figured the blue can be kind of like
Good
that.
thing none of the
ice.
fish are piranhas.
No, it's okay. Like, you did a good job.
Right. They don't need to be eating the other fish.
It can be kind of like the turtle can be kind of like a sports announcer going into the microphone or something.
Mm-hmm.
He can be doing the play-by-play of the hockey game with Snail.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be cool if that was actually like a
There.
up top or something.
Can we name it Gus? His name Gus.
What, Gus?
Yeah.
The hedgehog or the turtle?
I don't know. I think he means. I don't know. That's a good question. Artist, is it the
Name
hedgehog
the
or the
hedgehog
turtle?
Gus or the turtle Gus?
Apparently, the snail's name is Gary.
It's gotta be Gary.
The turtle? Okay, apparently the turtle's name is going to be Gus.
Okay. Turtle's name is Gus. What's the hedgehog?
Wait, does that mean... Can we name the hedgehog Jellyfish? That would be funny.
I just like how
Jellyfish.
this hockey is part of water, so now we're just all water.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
I have a running joke in the book I'm writing that all sea turtles are Gus. That's funny. As a kid, all my stuffed animals were named George.
One thing in post, you should outline the UP in like a post, so you know that was a thing.
Shay, jellyfish.
I have an Usachan rabbit.
Big bunny.
So turtle. Let's see.
Word,
What, not ready?
though. Yes. That adds another 20 minutes. But so I know my the UP definitely needs an outline. Maybe blend it, make it seem like.
So don't blend it in with the other blue as well. Make sure it still stays unique.
Yeah.
Good thing there's no jellyfish either.
Let's go United.
Okay. Let's see what colors I need now.
Can the turtle be purple?
It's your choice.
Yeah, I can post the picture later. Yeah, we can make the turtle purple.
It's your choice.
Turtle be purple.
Purple turtle.
Now, if I said it,
Got
that'd
it.
be weird. Like, no, it's not your choice.
You could have the like skin part be a lighter purple, and then the shell be a darker purple.
See, purple turtle.
Is a turtle part of the turtle club?
Turtle club.
Yeah, it's the turtle.
We love Gus the turtle.
The turtle. Is there a rat that controls him? Or
Are you talking about like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles right now?
yeah, it was a horrible joke. Yeah.
Brother.
Leave me
Yeah,
alone.
What's that movie called? Massive Disguises or something like that?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Turtle enough for you?
Turtle enough for you.
Artist is like, a rat? Yeah, you know the teacher or the sensei of
That was a horrible
the
joke.
Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Nishinchi. Oh, Splinter.
I've never actually watched Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Are you talking about, when you say, are you talking about the cartoon or the live action ones?
Both. I haven't seen any Teenage
The
Mutant Ninja Turtles. Like, at all.
Ninja
I like
Turtles.
the old live action. I don't really
I
like
grew up on Ninja Turtles.
I did.
That's why.
Turtles in the half shell.
Now we have to, yeah.
Turtle power.
Artist and I have to watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles now.
If you watch the live action ones, I would recommend the old live action ones, not the new ones that they released.
Okay, the purple bowl's ready.
Yeah,
I didn't really like
Now to get the blues ready. And I need more white.
All about the blues. About the blues.
I can't watch it now, Artist. I'm watching Kimono stream.
Donatello.
No, I think he was just.
You should have time to watch it, right?
No, it's because I have to be in bed because of my surgery.
Oh, no.
Probably.
If you drink lots of caffeine, that'll make you stay up.
Oh, no.
Yeah, right. Oh my god, it's
Just heard you
10
mention your surgery. How did it go, by the way, Crowley?
Oh well.
Well,
Not well.
Good.
Did you come in and see just
Sounded like you said not well.
Soldier?
No, it went well.
Oh, went well. Right,
No, I'm
good,
not
good.
No,
fucking
I heard it
Winter
too, John.
Soldier.
Like, not well. What?
Yeah, no, I thought you said
it
not
went
well.
General time frame?
Good, good.
Mm.
Because I've had the same operation. The only difference were that mine was snapped, and my I can't remember. So my is it medialis, which is tendon, and meniscus, which is under your patella.
Dude, I don't know.
One was
Well, we
ruptured.
break
Something like
I've
that.
been doing what the doctor's been telling me, man.
Yeah, sorry.
I didn't
John's
go
broke a
through
lot
that
of
shit.
things. So
Yeah.
he's just going
So I
on
know
experience.
what pain you're going through. Trust me, I know what pain you're going through. But you've
I
got
got you,
probably
man.
better pain meds than me.
Oh yeah, yeah. He He directed.
I'm yeah. I'm not able to while I'm on.
Other things.
Yeah. Donatello's the
It's like
turtle
almost
that
taken.
wears purple,
Told
Okay.
away.
apparently.
Okay.
No, but our purple turtle's gonna be good.
Alright, that ready.
Why would they take the best medicine? It's like
I need some more blue.
Some blood.
That's for the hedgehog.
Where's purple?
Yeah.
I've got
so we can
that.
shoot pucks at it. I think that's why it's up there. Oh, nice. I was on that recently.
along with ibuprofen and aspirin.
That's mainly just for swelling, really. It doesn't really help much, does it?
Well, ibuprofen
Yeah.
is definitely the anti. Whatever.
Yeah, and the aspirin's to make sure that I don't get like a blood clot or something.
No, yeah.
Food technology, I agree.
I got
Oh, I gotta do a microphone too? Ooh. Hold on.
I got
Yes.
ibuprofen sitting over there next to my
want
pillow.
A turtle with a microphone.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the turtle's like speaking into the
Damn.
microphone.
Them set a color. I can't.
The turtle's
The
purple and
turtle's gonna
purple.
be purple.
Oh, purple.
The microphone, I don't know. That one is up to Mono.
I'm using
It's funny.
some colors on my palette.
I like Gary, but I should have said you should make the Kool-Aid guys coming through the paint.
Yes, dang. Laptop freezing up on me! No!
It has to be something that she can do within the time limit, dude.
That would have been
What?
the Kool-Aid man.
You also have to read the turns.
After Crowley is Kraken, so Kraken be thinking of your part.
Oh,
Alright.
Michelangelo is orange. Okay, I was misremembering that.
I think
I had
I am ready,
Leonardo
Michigan.
Michelangelo swap by accident in my mind.
I believe. Is Michigan there? Or did he step away?
I
He's just
can
up away.
do a
Just
timer
up
for
away.
you if needed.
No, I got it. I had to go.
Oh, there he is.
Like, no! All my timekeepers are just me. Yes, you have to think of what you want me to paint. Big old
Just say the
Kraken.
word ready. Once you say the word ready, I got
Oh,
you.
that'd be great. Okay. Alright. Ready.
There you go.
And
Sorry, I had to go to
go.
the bathroom at the wrong time.
I should be allowed 10 minutes since I'm doing the microphone too.
Hold on. I will get back to you in the
5 minutes is up and then do
Senate
another 5
passes.
minutes.
Yeah, no, when the Senate passes it.
Leave it at 5, see how far she gets, and then.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Because the
And we'll talk
microphone's
about-
actually Shane's suggestion, so.
Oh,
Yeah.
2. So yeah.
Yeah.
10
Yeah, so it's
is,
technically-
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
No.
What was it, his?
10 is, yes, we'll do 10. I believe it.
Yeah, just let me know when we're at 5 and then. Or
Yeah.
almost at 5.
I'll let you
I
know
may
when
not
we're
need
done.
10 minutes. But I'm
I
just
don't
trying to
remember
clean
there
up.
being a turtle with a yellow one artist. Michigan J Frog? What?
Sorry, I'm not familiar with it.
Yeah, I don't know that either. It sounds like a
lure.
very
I've heard
proper
I'm sure I've heard of a
name.
lure called a J frog.
Is it a
That sounds
Michigan
familiar.
lure?
No, I've heard of a J frog lure that I've used at fishing before. I'm sure I have.
Yeah.
I was thinking back
Unless
to
it
Oh.
were.
Gotta preserve this beautiful shape here.
Yeah, the UP. I know, definitely in like Polish you could probably.
Michigan's like, do not destroy it.
Yeah. Don't destroy the tuna fish.
But yeah, we're
Tuna
floating at it.
fish.
Someone needs to come up with what's going to happen in the middle of that. There needs to be detail added to that. Whether it's scale.
Yeah, no, like in Polish you can just.
Yeah, I need to fix the net.
Yeah, there's a
Yeah,
lot of
it's
Polish
just
things that
getting
go about it.
the
Just-
But,
main
Fast
stuff
you did
down.
them trees look pretty good.
I know, right? They're just thrown on there too. I was like, come on, stamp them on there as fast as I can. Speaking of Michigan, are you familiar with a frog named Michigan J Frog?
Yeah, I'm not familiar.
Mm-mm.
I'm sure I've used that as a lure. A J frog. I don't know about Michigan.
Right.
But I'm sure I've used
Time
a
for a
J frog.
turtle.
No, because that also sounds familiar to me. Hang
I
on.
would type it in, but my phone.
Sponsored by Bass Pro.
Yeah, I'm sponsored by the Reverend, so.
Yeah, well.
Oh, I do know this one. Hang on. I'll show the Discord crew. Let me turn my brightness down on my phone so y'all be able to see. Oh shit. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Yo, I know
This
him.
guy.
Yeah, I didn't know it was called Michigan J Frog.
Yeah.
Why is it called Michigan?
Apparently, that is Michigan J Frog.
That's
I did
what
not
we-
know that.
Alright, yeah, we like Bugs Bunny and all that.
Was it me that named him? Because it seems about right.
Apparently, he was a Warner Bros. Cartoon character who debuted in the 1955 Merry Melodies.
Cool.
He performed vaudeville songs and dances for a construction worker, supporting the man's attempts to profit from his talent.
Nah. Well, you got 6 minutes left if you're at it.
Okay.
And he later became a mascot for the WB television network known for singing Hello My Baby and the Michigan
I didn't
Red.
know it was called Michigan.
That's what I was singing. Hello, my baby.
Or-
Hello.
Yeah.
More I know. I
Yeah.
guess.
Or Spaceballs. You don't forget the Spaceballs alien that does it.
Yeah, yeah. Baseball is such a good movie.
I can't wait for the second one.
There was a guy at a Comic-Con that I went to that ended up cosplaying as Barf from Spaceballs, the half man, half dog.
Yeah.
Oh, Poketch.
Oh, catch Pokemons!
I can't get on it.
Alright, well, the first 5 minutes are up. I'm gonna restart it. There we go. We got 5 minutes.
Okay.
It's gonna be a very detailed turtle.
I want to get a snail in real life and call it Gary and have it as my pet.
You
I
should.
don't know how to play hockey.
Like Gary from SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
But
just
it
a
has-
cute picture so far.
No, either or. I love how she separated the color between the UP.
But it
Like,
has
that,
to
that
make
was
the
a
sound.
beautiful baby.
It has to make the sound like Gary though. Or it's not a true
I don't think
Gary.
actual snails meow though.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't Gary and SpongeBob meow?
Yeah, he meows.
Yeah.
Eh. It's supposed to be a microphone.
like in
I'm sure I'll find a way.
Yeah, like in SpongeBob.
I'm sure I'll find a way. If there's a way, I will find
Dude,
it.
how that microphone is pretty hard. It's a
Right?
hard one to do.
For science.
Well, it's so small too.
Oh, I caught the Pokemon. Let's go. Oh, Kraken has an idea
Okay.
for what he wants.
Yeah. You said a big kraken, right?
A big
Did you
old
change it?
Kraken holding a hockey stick. Kraken versus snail.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a hockey team. That Kraken.
Yeah, Kraken aren't in Stanley Cup, so
Yeah.
they can't compete with slowest team in league.
That works good then.
Yeah, the Kraken can
Sorry,
be
I
playing
wasn't
the
thinking
snail,
of
and
that.
then the turtle can be like.
Yeah, Utah Kraken.
That's cool.
Is what they're called.
Yeah.
I don't
Utah
know if
Kraken.
he wanted that. Is that Kraken?
I'll just get my snail, give the snail steroids, and they'll be really fast. Of course, I don't know. I would.
No,
not
wait a
want
minute.
snail.
Seattle Krakens. What am I doing? I'm an idiot. I'm jumping out the window.
Yeah, I
It
don't
is
know.
Utah's now I'm messed up now. I don't
No,
know.
that's Utah. What's that one guy's name? I
Should
know
put
this.
it in the water.
That was the hockey puck.
I'm not gonna lie. I would not.
Manless. Whatever.
To lie, I would not want to see a snail on steroids. 'Cause I don't know what it would look like.
It would probably look like this one. Just kidding.
I typed in Utah wrong, so I got British skincare.
Yeah,
instead.
the mammoth
Yeah.
for Utah.
It's a snail
It's
that
just
has
a new
thick-
word. Anyways, you got like 2 minutes.
Okay. Just trying to get around this thing.
Or the Kraken is
I'll
Seattle.
ride it, yeah.
To be fair, my timer did go down when I typed in British lipstick. So but
What does
it was
that even
roughly when I did
mean?
type. What does it mean? Like when I typed in Utah, I spelled it wrong, so it came British skincare and all this other stuff.
Okay.
Anyways, you definitely have protein is working in my head. Probably a minute left.
Dancing cat is not.
Anyways, John, we cannot play pond hockey here. There's so much
What?
accidentally killing of animals.
In this pond hockey?
Yeah. No, if we're playing hockey on this rink right here, we would accidentally trip over a turtle and then crash into a snail.
No, I'm not being funny. If a snail is that big as the net,
We're running the other way.
That shell's gonna be thick enough to take a puck.
I'll be more scared, like how it got that big.
No, I just aim at his hat. That's his open
Radiate.
spot. And turtle could pass me puck, no problem. With a size like that.
I'm pretty sure you're done.
Okay.
Yeah, he's Godzilla.
Did you lose track of your timer?
Yeah, when I was
Googling. So
Actually, no,
does that mean you're fired from timekeeper? And
No.
Crowley's next.
I did perfect time. My
Sure,
protein in my brain does very good.
The reason why the snail's so big.
I gotta see what I missed.
It came from.
Honestly,
I've got a timer ready if needed.
A red
I got it. I got it.
Wolverum? How do you even say that? I don't even know what that is. What is that, Rando? Hey chat, what is that? I want a big old kraken.
A wyvern, it's a type of dragon, I believe.
Oh.
Yep, that's another. Well, that's another word.
Let me look.
A wyvern is like a small dragon, according to Kraken.
Okay, let me look it up.
Wyvern.
We might be able to do a dragon.
It's a dragon that stands on 2 legs, and its arms are like the wings, from what I'm seeing.
Let's see.
So it's like standing up on its hind legs, and then its arms are the wings.
And then I need a kraken.
I wish I was after John, because I would have had, like, a red meat or something else on that snail that was first.
But Kraken wanted a Kraken
Then it gets covered.
with
Holding a hockey stick? Yeah.
Yeah. He wanted him playing.
Your dancing buddy?
playing the
He is over here. Let me grab him. We'll put him
the
on the
cactus?
stool. Maybe he can be
Ryan?
seen. Yeah. Ryan's watching. He's supervising.
Ryan from Sheffield. He's a
Ryan is supervising.
Sheffield.
Right?
That's why he lives in Florida.
I don't know if you can hear him over there though.
No, it's
Probably
fine.
not.
Yeah, we can hear him.
Kicked him out of your...
Can you?
Oh, Zach's
I can hear him
He
in
can
Discord
add
at least.
to the
There you go.
storyline.
What's up, Zach?
Hi, Zach.
Morning.
Anyways, we're having a...
Alright, gotta get my Kraken colors ready.
Just let me know when you're ready. I got a timer for you.
Okay, it's gonna be a minute. I gotta mix some colors.
Riley's taking a minute. Because apparently I
I got
went to the bathroom. I'm being an asshole.
Trouble. You failed. You had one job.
That's a good song.
Yeah.
You had one job.
But yeah, since Zach's here, he can be at the end of the... We're making a...
Yeah.
3D art right now.
So we've got
Everybody has...
Kinda.
Oh, check out the painting that Kimono
It's an
did.
actual
Well,
painting instead of the AI. It's exactly the AI thing, but it's a real painting.
Yeah, and if Kimono's AI, I'm not sure.
I'm AI today.
No, your kimono,
But yeah, if
silly
you
goose.
pull over stream, you can see what you're...
We have a Kraken, and then Rando and Shocky. Shocky needs to come up with something too.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm just saying.
Yep.
There's the queue.
You should put Ryan in the painting too.
Oh my god.
Dude, that would have been a good idea.
Shit.
Anyways, people that are around, that's a good idea.
When are we finished? We should throw your painting in an AI and see what comes up with. You could.
Electroshock says a bullfrog.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Bullfrog.
Put a frog like up here, like a fan or something.
On top of net. Something to aim for.
I was thinking the dragon might actually could go in the sky somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Maybe right
The
here.
Kraken could go in like the bottom left corner.
Yeah, I figure that's where the kraken's gonna be. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because he's gotta be like proportionally kind of like the size of the snail, but maybe a little bigger. Because he's playing against the snail.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could
So.
put a dragon trying to eat one of them seagulls.
Yeah. Dragon is after the seagulls.
It's like swiping.
Swiping, oh swiping.
Like,
Mhm.
depending on how big you want to make it, it could be a junior dragon or a senior dragon.
Probably make it kind of small because I don't want to make.
Don't make it like.
Because it's like in the
primary.
distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially if it's gonna try and eat one of the birds.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear the birds of the word?
Oh, that's Ryan from Sheffield.
Ryan from Sheffield.
It's
Ryan.
she has a cat.
Cactus.
I almost said cat.
The dancing cactus. He
Mhm.
copies what Kimono says.
Yes.
And he's got a Sheffield jersey.
What? You didn't know
Ryan
Pomona had
from
like 2
Sheffield.
kids?
He's my copycat.
I've seen videos of children, like toddlers and babies reacting to those.
Mm-hmm. Like the ones crying, yeah.
It is
Dude,
very
you should
funny.
see Kimono with the first time. She didn't know what it is.
Alright, let me know
Oh
when
my
you're ready,
gosh.
Kimono.
Okay. Almost.
It's one of her.
I always get a kick out when you see a video of the people going in a store and pushing all the buttons on the things that make noise and then they go away. But they run away
like
and all the things are like won't shut up.
Or like those rubber geese. Or not, like the yellow ones. Or whatever the fuck. And you like squeeze a bunch of them all together and then they just go, all at once.
Yeah, they make her choir.
Yeah.
By the way, has anyone made a note of what everyone's told cat?
Who said what? That'd be kind of cool.
I
can
kind
make a
of
list
do in my
quick if you
brain.
want. I can try and make a list quick.
It's very. I don't even know if I
I'm
remember
gonna
everything.
do that on my phone.
Trying to figure out how I want to do this.
Trying to think back.
It's a hockey goal.
So Michigan requested
The UP as a lake.
the UP as a lake. Who did the trees?
That would be.
Oh,
part of
that was-
Jaffron's.
Jaffrod was the tree
Yeah.
in the sunset.
Something.
Trees.
Trees and like the rainbow.
Oh, the birds.
That type of thing. And birds.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put trees / like skyline.
Sunset.
The sunset.
Yeah.
The sunset. Yeah.
Trees,
I
sunset,
think
bird.
It started with Jamie with snail, didn't it?
Yeah, he's Snail. Yeah. He's the one that created it.
Gary. Gary, not Snail.
No.
And then I
Gary.
think I put the
Battle
goal.
Cat did Gary the snail.
Artist did the hedgehog.
Artist
On top of it.
hedgehog.
And the turtle is by me.
No, the turtle was me. And the microphone. Who did the microphone?
Shane?
Shane.
Really?
Shane.
I'm good, man.
Okay. So we've got BattleCat with Gary the Snail. We have Michigan with the UP as a lake. We have Jaffron with the trees and the sunset. We've got Artist with the hedgehog, me with the turtle, and my words.
Shane with the
I got the
microphone.
microphone. Thank you.
All right, and
I
now we're doing a
words
Kraken from Kraken.
Lacking.
Crack-a-lackin'.
The hockey net and the hockey stick as well.
Kraken.
Yeah. Poke catch.
So if I say
Oh yeah. And text with the
I wasn't really, I didn't remember.
hockey. There we go.
All right, y'all ready?
I am ready with the timer when you're ready.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I got beat up, so it's not.
Ready.
Go. And I set it for 5 minutes.
Okay.
What? I did 5 in 13 seconds.
13 seconds. What?
It was a joke.
Oh, we
So
have an orange
random.
octopus. Right.
Random.
Well, if she puts another color to it, it makes it another color.
It's quite good, this.
Oh, what's that?
It's a potato.
Oh, I think I unlocked a fish.
Potato.
Also,
Fish
Zach,
game.
you got that song stuck in my head.
All
How
right.
dare you?
The potato.
You got the asshole song stuck in my head.
I'm an asshole. I'm just a regular Joe.
When you park in handicapped
Good job.
Good job. We get a golf clap.
Motham was caught by Kimono and Tex.
You get a gold star.
Yay.
I want a silver star.
Let her cook, Kraken.
Hey, sure you want gold stars or a silver star? Gold stars are better.
I want a bronze one.
Potato equals squid. Yes, it's a potato squid. It's perfect.
I still have my text notification as GLaDOS from Portal 2 saying, because I'm a potato.
Potato squid.
Because she gets hooked up to a potato battery.
Then we're gonna go wild with the ladies.
Text, I'm half Irish, I love potatoes. I love potatoes in all of their forms.
Potatoes and meat.
Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Potato.
Yep.
Wise words of Samwise Gamgee. Thank you. Ryan is back, artist. That is correct. Ryan from Sheffield.
Ryan is back. He's laughing.
That was funny. I think it's perfect distance away from you that it's only picking up certain things.
Yeah,
when
it's
you
kinda
laugh
great.
or when you go, oh no, or kind of
Yeah.
Kinda agree like that. Yeah.
Squidward.
We got 2 minutes, 10 seconds left.
No!
I do what I want.
Yup.
One more time.
I set
One
the
more
timer
time.
for 5 minutes.
I don't. I just said it one more
5
time.
minutes and 13 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah, my family's never had a potato farm, so I don't know what potatoes are.
Potato.
Potato.
Why are we talking about potatoes?
Nothing.
Because we have a potato kraken.
Like I say, you are what you eat, I guess.
1 minute, 30
Kraken
seconds.
really like potatoes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We were a little potato.
Potato.
He needs a hockey puck. I gotta hurry up to the hockey puck.
Oh yeah, it kind of reminds
Oh,
me
the
of...
hockey stick? Yeah.
Hockey stick, yeah.
Because, yeah, necessarily, the Kraken probably won't need a stick.
I don't know.
No, you can't You can't put
1
your
minute.
hand on it, or your
One of their suckers
spectacles,
will
or
be declared as its own stick.
you can't put your hand on a puck.
Are you gonna tell a Kraken that?
Yes. I'm gonna go swim down there.
He's a happy
beat
little
her.
Kraken.
It reminds me of the octopus that the red means just toss.
30
Oh.
seconds.
No, I need more time.
Or the name of this painting could be Who Scores? The turtle, the kraken, the snail, or the hedgehog.
Find out next week.
Or Ryan, when you it's gotta be Ryan, sure.
We've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paintbrush down.
Potato Kraken.
Whoa. I'm gonna call the art police.
Is this up for auction later? Yeah, I'm thinking about doing an auction later, just not tonight. Oh my gosh. Welcome
I just like how
in.
well, a lot of. Sorry.
I'm so glad the raid happens like in between.
That was perfect, actually. Perfect timing.
See nothing.
Potato Kraken. The only Kraken.
Potato Kraken.
Welcome. Like some potato Kraken, yes. Thank you. Axolotl raid, evil Axolotl raid, I believe it. Nice job, basically being
I think it's unfair.
French fries. Okay, I'll send you an AI description of your painting. Oh my god. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I like it. It's so much better than mine. Let's see, I'll have to share that. Let's see, can I do that?
There we go.
Yeah, this is the AI description of my painting, by the way. That's so much better than mine.
No.
Wait a minute. Where's the UP?
Also, it's incorrect because you haven't done the bullfrog yet.
I have it. Yeah.
You have to do the bullfrog next.
Yeah, no hockey and no ice, nothing.
I just saw the nail.
It's okay. Thank you for the raid, Hollow.
Well, GG on the
Raider.
Yeah, let me look.
What color is the bullfrog gonna be?
Green, isn't it?
Yeah, I would guess green and brown, maybe. That way he stands out.
Yeah.
Because I'll put him over here.
Is the bullfrog's name gonna be Jeremiah? Because Jeremiah was a bullfrog?
I don't know.
Back post tappy.
Wait, are bullfrogs the ones that like you touch them?
Why does the frog and the kraken got stink lines? Yeah, because they're like slimy and stinky or something. I saw that.
Well, it might not be a bull. I don't know. They're really big frogs and they make like a squeaky sound when you like go up to them. They start like making a really weird sound. And it's loud.
A lot of frogs make
this one's
like
loud,
loud
though.
croaking sounds and stuff.
I'll have to look it
It's
up.
a defense thing.
Yeah, when I get on I'll look it up. I forget the name of the frog, but it's a really big one. It might be the bullfrog. I don't know.
Have you
I
ever
know
tried
that
to kiss
African
it?
bullfrog.
The kraken was supposed to be the only one with stink lines. Win. W.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Now I
I
have
think I'm
Jeremiah
gonna.
with a bullfrog
I think I'm gonna
man.
step for a break real quick too.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, like.
Fill my water.
You need, like in post, you definitely need to get the UP, like having that small little thin black line.
Worst part is I pasted the description in another chat. Oh no!
You don't
Which is
hydrate.
like, they're probably like, what?
I'm hydrated.
Oh yeah,
I
we
haven't
gotta do
painted
the
it yet.
dragon, too.
Yeah, I haven't painted it yet. I need 5 minutes to do the dragon and 5 minutes to do the bullfrog. Those are on my list.
Are we doing them back to back, or are we doing one and then pausing and then doing the other one?
Probably pause. Unless I think I can get everything together for both.
Well, I mean, if you're gonna do both back to back, I would set the timer for 10 minutes instead of
Right. Let me think about it.
Okay.
Oh, you got
You gonna go grab water?
Yes. Water time.
Water
wine.
time.
Yes, and to get out of the fumes for 5 seconds.
And we can gaze into the potato kraken's beautiful, beautiful eyes.
This is like if you don't pick a potato out of the ground, it becomes a kraken.
I like this painting so far. It's fucking cute.
I like it because it never, when it first started off, it was nothing. And now it's cute.
It's great.
It's a bunch of animals playing hockey.
I've already put a bid on a 25 pence and a pound.
Oh, for the painting?
Yeah, I put 100 million trillion fake dollars in it.
Ah, yes, the Monopoly money. I understand.
Yeah. I own Monopoly, so I get my color money out.
There you go.
I've got printer in corner. And
Just print out some kimono money that says her face on it. Oh, here you go.
Nah, you gotta get the alliteration in there. You gotta get the kimono coins going.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess.
Kimono currency.
But yeah, I do love this. I like the idea of what she did.
Yeah, it's a fun idea.
You're looking at something that you never ever, when you woke up today, like, oh, I knew exactly what this is going. Look, like you're looking at something that you would never look at again.
Yeah, it's very unique.
Yeah.
I was not surprised when the hockey stuff started getting.
No,
added.
it's when you have two hockey fans in it, it doesn't help.
No, honestly, Crowley, I don't know what you mean.
Dude, I didn't even know that sport. What is that sport?
Honestly,
Is it like swimming? Is it swimming?
All right, Mr. Sheffield.
Is it swimming? John, is it swimming when you swim?
Yeah. You swim with a stick. No, it's rowing.
Is that what they mean by row the boat?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what the term hockey came from.
Yeah. Oh no, we row to places and then we play hockey with same sticks with rowing.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot how to play hockey. My bad.
Who put the hedgehog on? I love that.
No, that was ours.
I love that.
Yeah, the hedgehog was
No,
artist.
she had perfect alignment where it should be. Perfect.
It's great. It looks
That
very
hedgehog
cute.
was brilliant.
I got the UP that's a water because that was supposed to be it's an inside joke between me and Glenn. So,
Yeah, I think you know what. Right, well, I'm not gonna say mine. My next thing.
we're not gonna have it next.
No, in the one for detail.
Oh yeah, there's detail, but I think that's more just blending things better, getting the outline.
I think it also
well.
depends on how late she wants to go because it's past 11 already.
Yeah, true.
Is it?
Yeah, but that
Yeah. Oh yeah. I just
UP island, UP water. What you?
yeah. She thought the
literally
UP was a lake.
You could turn that into a Greenland shark. A shark that just eats vegetation.
Dude,
You could easily use like tiger spots. Kind
Eh.
of thing.
I just love how we
Yeah.
created a random thing today. Potato kraken. That's random.
potato cracker.
Nobody ever would have done that. Like, I didn't
the
think
kraken
today
is
I was
really
ever gonna put those two words together, but I did.
Oh, that's an idea for a meal. If there's any chefs out there and you do.
Oh yeah. We'll get potatoes and a
I'll-
kraken.
Potato
I'll
kraken.
do, boy. Get a nice fried mix of mashed potato in the middle, and then your calamari coming off it.
It's a one-eyed.
Krakens.
It's a one-eyed potato kraken.
One-eyed
Potato kraken.
There you go.
Not one-eyed. It's just he's turned to the side.
He is. It is.
Yeah.
He's kind of got a smile too.
Like
If you
it's
notice.
looking at us.
Yeah.
Because he's playing hockey. I would too.
Turned to the side.
Mm-hmm.
Right, but
All right. What are we doing next? Are we doing the wyvern next or the bullfrog next? I forget.
I don't remember. I think it was the wyvern next.
Okay. So it's the dragon with the 2 legs and the wings.
And there's like a hair on my painting.
What?
Okay.
Who put the hair
Yeah.
in it?
I don't know.
You know, Kimono had to put something into the art, so I guess her.
I had to put my hair up. Hot. Yeah, there may or may not be a hair glued to the canvas by the time we're done.
No, it's that was your part of the art. That's what I was saying. Like
Mm-hmm.
you never said what you're gonna do, so if you see your hair.
Joe left. Joe. We're back in.
I feel like he's making a joke.
Tank is
Oh,
full.
it is. I know John very well right there. I was like, I feel like you're making a joke.
My knees get way off it.
Oh, anyways, John, you got my beer. Can you go get it?
Here you go.
No, I want the other one. I don't want that brand.
That's what I've got.
Well, I want the other one that you said that was downstairs.
Down note.
Checking up on
I have to wait until that ages to make it wine.
There you go. I sent you the frog. I think is the one I was thinking of. Probably the one that screams at you.
I got you.
I just scream at frogs and they're like, what?
Dun dun dun.
Well,
Dead.
no, or I
Not
kiss
you.
frogs. All depends on the day. Because I want to be. No, I want to be a princess. Yeah.
I think it's a bullfrog, the ones that scream. I think it's what they had. The video I sent you. I think they're holding those big frogs, and they make a really.
We sold a bunch of fish.
I'm not familiar on the different kinds of frogs, bud, so I don't know.
Kelly's the
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime frog.
I'm still hitting puberty, so I can't get that low for one day.
It's alright, me neither.
I can fly.
Not too funny facts today, the other video.
Yeah, I know. I need to start smoking. Not really. I do not.
There we go. We fed all the fish. You're common. So,
All the
yeah.
fish.
They make money in the background.
Make money,
Oh my god. Why is my birthday message still up there? I need to take that off.
Happy birthday.
Just happy birthday.
I know! It's not my birthday anymore.
Well, happy birthday, bro.
It's
Like-
not even the same.
Merry
again.
Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Yeah. That was for my birthday streak.
Birthday.
There you go. Alright, I fixed that.
Mine's not till October. Oh, I do that all
Alright.
the time.
I never had
I
that.
have to have
age
my
first.
sometimes.
I was trying to decompress my lower back. And my daughter asked me, she's like, "Are you like 70 and have arthritis?" And I was like, "First of all, watch your fucking mouth, okay?" I'm only half that. He's like, "Wait a second.
Wait a minute.
35 or 36?" Shut up, child.
You're 36 then.
Gotta find me a
Because I'm
Wyvern
35,
model
I know you're older.
to look at.
Well, you're so tall that makes sense.
Brando says happy belated birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, we're celebrating her birthday for next year. So yeah. No, they have the same
Alright.
birthday.
I know. I was eating.
Be right back.
What, you were?
What are you talking about? Oh. Alright, get some more paintbrushes out.
Brando, you're good.
Get some more colors. That's
So,
okay. That's all good. It was fun.
Are we doing
Wyvern.
the dragon and then pausing and then doing the bullfrog, or are we doing them back to back?
Yeah. Let's
It is.
pause.
Let's pause. Okay.
I'll try to go like a quick pause, but let's plan on pausing.
Just don't forget to switch your screen when you're ready.
Yeah, I will. I gotta get it
Well, I
set
wanna
up.
see the fishies.
Yeah. Get the paints all together and stuff.
Let's see.
Anyway, sorry, I have my golf shirt on, and I haven't been golfing yet. I'm like, I don't even know how to play it anymore.
I don't know how to play unless you're talking about golf with friends, and I always.
I
win
never
that.
golf with friends. Hell no.
I get the most points.
Somebody bought out the old putt-putt golf course here, and they're completely redoing it, and that makes me so happy because it's
Hell yeah.
Yeah, old and stale.
dude, it was a fucking shit. Absolute shit.
Well, I'm glad that somebody's fixing it up then. That's kind of nice.
They have sunk a lot of money into it.
Well, I hope that investment, and I hope you're there to get that investment back.
I mean, as soon as they open, I'm going.
Hell yeah, dude.
Okay, I think I got this. Then I need something to mix with.
I almost made a dad joke.
Just play tennis.
Dude, mustard ball is even better. That's a dad joke.
Instead of pickleball, it's mustard ball.
Yeah, it was a horrible joke. Well,
Relish
yes,
ball,
you
mustard
could
ball.
Go
I've
on
got
and on and on. That's
these
why I said
things.
it's a dad joke.
If you want to be gross about it, you can do mayo ball.
Yeah.
Ew.
Fuck yourself, okay, bud?
Dude, I don't eat hot dogs normally, just in general.
I'm shedding.
Dude, I've been eating hot dogs for the last 3 days. Very true story.
Let me put it this way.
I've grilled out all of them though. I've grilled all my hot dogs.
Trying to figure out how to make it stand out up
Let
there.
me put it this way. I like hot dogs. Hot dogs don't like me.
I'll start with lighter colors and then go darker.
Anyways, you can tell us to be quiet too. It's like, hey, it was good.
No, you're fine. I don't need
Now
to
it's
talk.
just like randomly talking about hot dogs over here.
It was like hot
I'm
dogs.
so used to being able to tune out background. It's all good.
Oh, okay, so she's just tuning us out. Got it.
we are
No,
the
I
best.
still hear it, but if that makes sense, I'm not completely tuning it out, but I'm able to talk over it and just like, I don't know, continue with the stream life. I don't know.
It's all good. It's all good. We're
You
just being
basically
dumb.
said you guys suck, and I can tune you guys out.
No,
No,
not
I
at
was
all.
just making it
No.
horrible.
No,
We're just
they're
making
trying to
jokes.
say they're bothering me, but they're not
Join
bothering.
his apologies all the time.
Yeah.
He's Canadian. Give him a break. I probably
Now
got like
I'm quarter Canadian.
paint on my nose at this point.
He's South Canadian.
Yeah. I'm
Sorry.
the Texas of Canada.
He's an outlaw.
He's gonna say sorry a bunch of times.
Sorry.
I never said that word in my life.
Never.
Sure, that
Well,
was
where is that word? Is it like curly? So I'm looking at it.
Dex, I had a
How are you trying to say, bud?
couple of people.
Crowley.
Variety.
Oh my god. Okay.
Variety.
I'm scared I'm gonna totally botch this dragon, I'm telling you. So...
Just let me know when you're ready, my dear.
I mean, if you needed help, you know, you could have rang me. I'd have translated.
Just like... It's gonna end up looking like a flamingo in the sky or something.
Flamingo in the sky. Flamingo in the sky. I can fly twice as high.
I don't know how to say Noah with an English accent. It's a very
Noah.
Noah?
Noah.
Yeah, it sounds the same when I say
Alright.
Noah.
Yeah.
Wish me luck!
Where they were from?
Good luck. Ready?
Okay.
3,
Yes.
2, 1.
You'll get to
Go.
ask them what the football background where they played and whatnot. Says they played in academies. They'll be good players, as in good coaches as well, because that's what they love thrive. That's the kind of thing that you get into. Like that with me with
Hey.
okay. Oh, we're all
Guys,
right,
what are we naming the dragon?
Okay, sorry, Tex. I just had you said
Oh yeah, we didn't name the dragon, did we?
What are we naming
no,
the dragon, guys?
yeah, what we name it, Dragon.
Puff the Magic Dragon.
Puff the Magic Dragon.
Oh my god, that's appropriate.
I'm up with that.
That fits this
Puff the
community.
Magic Dragon, let's go.
Ask them the background, see if they play for academies.
Tomorrow made us dirty.
Academies. They've been working towards.
they're just here for the camp, and then they come home. They have like borrowed phones, and they're staying with foster families.
Yeah, no, but you'll see them down at pitch, won't you?
No, it's not. It's the last one.
Oh, well.
Oh, well.
I guarantee there'll be lower league players that are trying to get the coaching badges, and it's all about because to get a certain level coaching badge when you're a player, you get
Rando
sent to
says
America to
Laser
volunteer.
Inferno for a name for the dragon.
Everything gets paid by you, but you get sent to America to volunteer.
Please.
If you're a player at a certain level.
That fits right in with you guys too.
Yeah, I haven't
Yeah,
seen Puff the Magic Dragon in like God knows how long. I don't even know if where you even watch it or even if you get it anymore.
Yeah, it was from a while ago, bud.
That when I was a kid.
Magic Dragon.
I don't know, it's your opinion, but I think
I posted
the
pictures.
claws should be
These
up a little bit. So I can get this.
Where?
in Blackout's Discord.
Wings?
Who's that?
Which one? I mean,
Oh, that's cute.
okay.
That's cute, Kimono.
Trying.
Looks like he's flying with the birds.
Yeah.
They're
It
unique.
looks like they're their best
They're
friend.
volunteering, and they've paid to come and coach you guys basically.
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yeah, they will have paid all their travel, all their accommodation, everything, and they will have got
T
very
minus 120.
I didn't just hear a chicken.
A chicken.
I swear I just heard a chicken.
Go
Walk
outside.
the talk.
Maybe there's a chicken.
Yeah.
Down there.
2 minutes.
Can you pluck it and then we can eat it later?
Because that's what it'll be. They'll have had to pay for all that.
I don't know. Hearing things.
But sorry, my thing, you don't have to. The claws on it would make sense because it's
Claws? Where am I gonna put claws at? Like right here? Those little tiny
where the
dots?
claws are.
Where am I gonna get all of that?
He got sharp toes.
Well, to be fair, it should be coming this way.
Oh, well, then his feet are down there.
23.
Well, no, his arms are the wings.
I'm on
Michigan.
He's
His
trying
arms
to
are the
become a
wings.
PE teacher, that's
Yeah,
why.
these are wings.
Yeah.
Yes, I know that.
Still is UEFAC license.
Got 1 minute, 5 seconds.
Means he can coach any team, as in seniors, all the way down to juniors.
His favorite team is the
Oh, he's about 20 minutes away from me.
Oh, I
See
know
what's
everybody.
happened. We got hockey in the painting. Now we're talking about hockey.
Hell yeah.
Football now.
No, yeah, it's soccer. Yeah.
Yeah,
Whatever.
my
Sports.
both of his coaches are from the UK, so got me a text.
Very nice.
I don't
30
know.
seconds.
Don Costa.
I feel like it needs to dry so I can add another layer. I'm so used to letting things dry. Like,
It's not good. Like, there
Well,
has
you
to
got
be a
20
post
seconds.
to this. A little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. His hometown is.
10,
Mine
9,
too.
he's just doing his dragon things up here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paintbrush down.
Just toss it. Toss it.
That was a challenge, I will admit. Especially trying to make it that small and that fast. Mm-hmm.
I think you did a good job.
Thanks. It might be hard to see on stream. Let me see.
Yeah.
I'm a
Really?
ginger hair.
Next one is the bullfrog.
Yo.
Makes sense.
Yeah, figure out where the bullfrog's gonna go.
That makes sense.
There, you can see the dragon better.
That's what gingers are.
Oh, that's cute.
Hello, dragon.
Sorry.
It's cute.
Watch it.
Oh, can we ban?
Drop a hard C there.
Watch it.
Ooh.
You mouth.
Calm down. I'm sorry.
No, you have to say sorry. Yes, there it is.
All right, it's
Hey, you should
bullfrog
be looking
time.
at the beautiful
Let
painting.
me get ready for
Who's
bullfrog.
next in this journey of the painting?
I caught the
The
knockout.
bullfrog.
Good stuff.
Now I gotta figure out how to add it in. It would be easier just it would be easier just to put it where the white is.
He signed to be a professional footballer.
Yeah,
I've got
I did.
blue on my gloves. Wonder how that happened.
Yeah, we got you, Electroshock.
Frog's
You gotta
next.
do the dragon
I'm gonna play for
first,
United.
and then the frog.
I think I'm gonna put the frog down.
Your hand's doing okay?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing the painting stuff and things.
Shoulders hurt a little. That's what gets me.
Nah.
From doing this, it kind of works your back.
I'm gonna fucking get a United shirt. I'm gonna put it on you. And I'm gonna rip it off.
Little frog.
You wish you could pull me around like that.
Hey, yo.
Did you just say that you want to rip Joe's clothes off?
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah,
yo.
Because he keeps
Wow.
mentioning
It's a
says,
normal thing. It's a
I'm
normal
getting
thing.
a
Hold on.
United shirt.
It's a normal thing. I
My
said I
carrot
love
shop.
Wednesday, and now he's fighting.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. I'm gonna put this United shirt on and say, how's it feel? I'll leave you go.
Bullfrog
This is
time.
how it feels to be a United out when you're in front of a Wednesday night.
Anyways, it's basically
What color is the
saying
frog gonna
that
be?
when I actually beat him.
He's gonna be kind of the orangey brown color, but then he's gonna have green highlight. Orangey brown, green.
To prove a point of getting Wednesday on. Because I'm joking.
So yeah, orangey brown, green, bullfrog.
Done now, you've said it.
Combination
Nobody
colors.
sticks. No
It'll be
more
good, it'll stand
t-shirts.
out.
There you go, Johnny, man.
Nope. No
Oh,
more sticks. No
and
more
then I'm gonna need time to like fill in the water
Yeah.
and clean up the net because that bothers me.
Just let me know when you're ready for the frog.
I am ready for the frog.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Now I got Jeremiah with a bullfrog stuck in my head again.
It's another potato.
It is another potato. The potato frog.
frog.
Yep. Potato frog.
Pop quiz. What band was the song Jeremiah Was a Bullfrog by?
No clue.
My brain's not that big.
It's a band called Three Dog Night.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm just about to get. Yeah, I'm just about to get
I
that.
thought it
one.
was $100 million.
Sure you were, bud.
Yeah.
That was so close. In my
Yeah, that one. Yep.
I would
I
decide.
thought it was 101 down Nate.
101 Dalmatians.
Ugh.
There.
Man,
Oh, that's funny.
let's go Wednesday.
Trying to claw a bit of self-esteem back now.
That was being an asshole.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay.
Yeah, I'm a regular Joe.
No, Leo, Leo.
Very good that.
SSHO.
I'm glad people in Texas can spell.
Not right corner.
All right, we got about 3 minutes left.
Ah, such a long time.
Oh wow. Should put loads into this. Needs a rock.
All the time in the world, right?
Needs a
All
rock.
the
definitely.
time.
Like I said, we basically just made a bunch of animals playing.
Yeah, and the turtle's the sports announcer.
Yes.
Eh.
And then you got a dragon up there, like it's like FC Liverpool.
Trying to eat the seagulls. And then the hedgehog's just hanging.
Until it gets hit in the head with the butt.
Imagine if I
Yeah.
just changed it and not put like hockey in it and hockey stick, and I put like Robin Hood stood on a hill.
Ugh.
No, yeah,
Probably
exactly. Like
should-
a rocket ship goes flying and it has purple
Probably
wings.
still be a lot of
Something
animals.
stupid.
People.
Oh yeah.
Actually, a rocket ship could be flying.
2 minutes.
You have 2 minutes.
Well,
Oh.
You have 2 minutes.
Well, now it's less than 2 minutes.
No, but
well,
I mean,
yeah. As we keep
that's what
talking,
you play at
yes.
Speedway when you've got 2 minutes to get on the track.
Ah.
You have 2
Gotcha.
minutes. And then when it's 1 minute, it goes like an air raid siren.
What are you saying? World War II?
Yeah, pretty
Oh.
much. Oh, it's coming along now.
It's just funny because if I had to bet on what this would be, I had no clue.
Yeah, if I didn't know what if you were about to paint or whatever, I'd, yeah, I'd be
You
like,
would know this was a
obviously
frog.
now I'd be like, oh, that's a frog.
1 minute.
No, I'm not saying that part. I'm just saying.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I like that. As in the whole setting.
Yeah. Like I wake up to this morning, like I probably could have said maybe hockey if I knew you were gonna be here.
It's a cute little frog.
He's trying to be a frog.
Then the
Definitely.
Trying.
Got
Sorry,
about 30 seconds.
the other painting right next to it, it's just gonna be me and John just fighting it.
Yep. Get him.
Ready?
Now we'll let the animals do their thing. But pissed off.
Right.
Yeah. We got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paintbrush down.
0, -1, -2, -3.
Not bad.
Paintbrush down. Yeah, the frog turned out cute.
Yeah, if this is golf, you got -3. Man.
How did I not get paint on the side over here?
Not yet.
I don't know.
know. You're a lot better than I could ever do it.
I hate it when there's like a little white edge.
Yeah. No, I hear you. What are we doing next?
Oh, probably filling all this stuff in. Like,
Oh,
do
like
a little bit of work.
blue?
Yeah, like fill in this and that.
Zach have a turn?
Yeah,
Zach
he
have a
wants
turn?
one.
Yeah,
Zach, what do you want on the painting?
Do something. No.
Hmm?
No, you're here and you want to be part of the team, the community. Just say something. That's it. Doesn't have to be anything.
Pass.
Okay.
Oh, put a pass on it.
So you didn't have to.
Could you put
All
a
right.
passport?
So I gotta decide whether the frog is in the water or there needs to be like greenery down here too, like, or at least a lily pad or something. Yeah.
Yeah, you can put
That's
the frog
what
on
Zach
it.
said. Lily pad. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my dog's name is.
There you
Lily,
go.
so that makes sense.
Contribution is a lily pad.
Yeah.
Lily
Perfect.
pad.
Zach said
Love
lily
it.
Am I doing 5 minutes for the lily pad?
You can.
Alright. Ready, set, go.
Now, when this is printed in the New York Times, you can at least be part of it.
Frog on a lily pad sounds awesome from Kraken.
Dude, the Kraken list wants to play hockey. It was like, why would I want to be in the water?
The
I like to be outside the water with skates.
Frog is just looking on. Yeah, I haven't figured out how they're playing hockey in the water yet.
Well, it's ice, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Even though the sun and
Yeah. They're frozen in the ice.
no, I just picture like the turtles just on the ice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're just chilling.
And the frog is watching on a lily pad. I don't know how that works, but we'll figure
Mm-hmm.
it out later.
I have to add some extra lily
Anyways,
pads
it's
later.
there's a lot of. Anyways, that was
An interesting take on a painting, right?
yes, I guess.
Maybe I'll just make
Well,
the
the
big.
frog
This
could,
should take
lily
over.
pad.
This should be hanged up in
Yeah.
France.
the frog could just
Next
have
to
brought
the-
the lily pad like a beach towel.
Like his floating thing.
Yeah.
Beach ball as a hockey
This should
puck.
be next to the Constitution.
Alright, we got 3 minutes 10 seconds
Alright.
on the clock.
My lily pad looks more like a leaf. That's okay.
It doesn't.
I mean, it essentially that's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, basically. And it was a rapid freeze, so it was already there and it froze. It was a rapid freeze. It got instantly cold. But yeah, it's. When I woke up today, I
Minute?
never would have imagined this.
You know, this is cool.
That's why I like things that I would never see in my life.
Kraken says, "Good night, KimonoKat. I'm out of here.
Good night. Get some
Have a good night,
sleep.
Kraken."
Thank you for the potatoes.
What time
Thank
is
you
it?
for the
It's
potato
like
Kraken.
midnight. Yes, potato.
It
Potato
is.
kraken.
Yeah, it's 11:39
Eastern West Coast.
Eastern. We got 2 minutes.
Zach is in the comedy time zone.
Oh, he's central.
Yeah, we don't talk about it that much. He always thinks he wins all the wars. I won Civil War.
We got 1 minute 30.
Not working.
Oh, my
leg is feeling spicy.
Hey, Joe. 1v1 the bra.
Let's do it. Give me a time and place.
On the ice between the potato
Here,
kraken
right
and the snail.
Right now, I can't fly there that quick. I don't have a teleporter yet. Either.
Yes, you lose.
1 minute.
How do I lose?
Okay, I'm done. I'm done doing what I was doing. I hope so.
Go catch.
Oh, catch.
I'm
Works
done
out,
with
I'm
my.
guessing.
No,
About
Just
30
He's
seconds.
so cute.
going through kids' phones.
Making sure.
Finding all the questionable things that their mother lets them get away with.
Anyway, yeah, I didn't know that. Sorry, that.
And we've got
Silly dad.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Nice.
2, 1.
Just has
Ta-da!
little fillers to do, and it's done.
Yeah, you
Yep.
just gotta fill in the rest of the blue around the potato kraken. And then the whole
Yep.
thing will be fulfilled.
Pretty much.
And the potato frog.
And the potato frog.
Potato.
It's
I think
fucking
you had a
Potato
nice
frog.
balance of the colors across the canvas, though. You had a nice,
Yeah.
transition for the colors.
It worked
Like how
out pretty
there's
good.
orange in the sky, and then down lower in the blue, there's like orange for the kraken and the frog and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's
And
a
it
nice
goes together.
distribution. Hey, I caught the Pokemon. Let's go.
You can catch them
Gotta
all.
catch 'em all.
Catch them all.
Pokemon.
Gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. So according to the list that I have for who contributed what to the painting, we have Battle Cat with Gary the Snail. We have Michigan with UP as a lake. We've got Jaffron with the trees and the sunset. We got Artist with the green hedgehog. We got the purple turtle was me. The microphone was Sean. Kraken, which is the Kraken with the hockey stick. We got Tex with the hockey net and the stick that the snail is holding. We got Electroshock was the bullfrog. Rando was
Nice.
the wyvern. And then Zach with the lily pad.
You have to
Yeah.
send me that list and or post it in the art channel and then I'll post a picture too.
Here, I'll DM it to you on Discord and then you can do whatever
Okay.
with it.
Yeah.
I need to find you. There you are.
I guess filling this in counts as my 5 to 10 minutes, right?
Yeah.
It's creative rights. Creative rights, I don't know.
I'm not gonna say you need like a
Creative
post
liberty.
edit. Everybody needs.
Oh.
You don't make a movie like instantly. You have to have a post edit.
Yeah. Just a little bit of cleanup.
Yeah,
I just don't like the white of the canvas showing. I don't like that. So.
Yeah, you just gotta fill it in.
You just have to keep changing your brushes. That's hard.
Yeah, because I've got like the wrong color on my brush now. See how many brushes I used. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
That's
Too
probably
bad.
why my legs feel busy. I gotta take another round of meds. What the hell am I doing?
Uh-oh.
Jesus.
Not taking the meds. That's what.
Well, I'm taking them now.
No. As of right now,
Yeah.
you haven't.
Oh.
So,
Oh,
Yeah.
well, here we go.
No, now I am wrong.
This is cute. I like this painting. This is adorable.
It was fun.
Good idea, Kimono.
It was a beautiful idea.
I wasn't sure if people would like it at first because I mentioned it a few times and like nobody commented, nobody said anything, and I'm like, oh god, they don't like the idea. And then eventually you guys were like, yeah, that sounds cool, and I'm like, oh thank god, somebody finally likes the idea. Like it turns into like craziness, but it's worth it. It's a community piece. Like a gnat flying around, gonna drive me absolutely nuts. Alright. Another push. Ooh, I almost dipped in my wine glass instead of. Yeah, that's not what I need to dip into.
You're not drinking red wine, and then
Red wine. Actually, bring this up to the base of the snail.
Oh yeah, so that the snail's like on it.
Yeah, he's sitting on it.
This is so stinking cute. Good job, everybody.
Yes. Good job, everyone.
And we made money in the aquarium. Let's go.
Yeah, let's see if I can fix this net fiasco that I've got going on.
It's not a fiasco. You can tell it's a net.
It's true. It's just my least favorite thing about the whole thing.
But I am probably gonna pop out for tonight, guys.
Okay. Thanks for hanging out.
Have a good night. Good job on the painting, everybody.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. I hope nobody has an objection to me working on this net a little bit. Because it's the centerpiece of the painting. And I'm opposed to the white of the canvas showing. Well, this is hard. Gotta get around the snail guy. That's better.
Alright, I'm back. I had to go yell at one of my children.
Uh-oh.
I allowed her to stay up late to read her new book, and it's my fault. I should have gone in there sooner to check, but she stayed up a half hour past when she was supposed to. And then she tried to pretend like she was asleep when I knocked on the bedroom door. I'm like, no, this is a privilege. And you can lose the privilege. It's like, well, but I'm learning, I'm reading. I'm like, I don't give a shit. Well, I didn't know what time it was. Child, your alarm clock literally displays the time on the ceiling, and you're looking at the ceiling. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Kids. It's okay. She gets a pass. This time.
Yeah. At least it was just reading, not something worse, right?
Yeah, could definitely be worse.
Don't forget, never looks perfect because it's hanging, kind of thing.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Doesn't have to be, yeah, because it's like...
Oh, I was like, what are you talking about?
all the little hatch squares and stuff, yeah. Yeah, we'll make it kind of splotchy.
Yeah, all over the place, basically. Look at it now. Like a fishing net, I suppose.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Looks good.
I don't have the patience for
art.
Plus,
I like watching someone do it. Like I used to watch Bob Ross all the time, and Zach, I'm guessing you can guess why I used to.
Because you were high as fuck.
Well, I weren't gonna admit that, but yeah.
Well, you told me to guess. Did you not want me to say it out loud?
Probably not. He's like, yeah.
I don't care. I just didn't know where the kimono was.
Let's see.
She lives in Florida. It's a weird place, man.
It is a weird place. And it's not legal here.
That doesn't stop some people.
No, definitely not. Legal with a prescription.
Yeah, it's not legal here either. It's a travesty. It's a travesty.
Thanks for the alert, Crowley. I don't know how we should put that.
Oh yeah, where did Crowley go?
Crowley went to sleep.
Kind of said, "Fuck this shit, I'm out."
Yep.
They said that they were gonna leave, but then sleep to extreme bits.
Yeah. Yeah. Hope you sleep amazing. Alright, I should stop working on it and overdoing it, because I'm not supposed to edit too much after.
Let it dry and
Always
then
judging.
Yeah.
You might just do a little touch up on odd things and then think it's done.
Yeah. Yep.
Because in it, when you're painting on another colour, it's easier to do it when it's dry, surely.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
An oil paint can take a couple days to dry too.
Doesn't the UP look like it's like the blue paint? It's like how it changes the color.
UP, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
What it looks like.
It's like, you know, the different, like the
Well,
blue paint.
I can still
Yeah.
I can still see a shark, like a Greenland shark type of thing.
Don't worry about
Yeah.
it. The point
Bastard.
is,
I
it
can
looks like
also see-
how in front of,
Let's see.
you know, in front of the goalie is, there's a different color, which makes sense.
I can also see like
And the colors don't look purple. And there you go. See how the turtle's purple?
looks even better on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Kind of see it better.
Anyways, I would.
It almost looks like the turtle's just eating a mushroom or something. It's just not a microphone. It's a mushroom.
Or I was eating a mushroom.
Oh. Yeah.
There's a lot
That
of
probably looks better than I thought. And I love that at the last second for the Kraken, I went stamp, stamp, stamp to try to put like the suction cups on his legs real quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he's got a little bit of them on there.
No,
I don't know why
it's-
he's got a smaller hockey stick though, because his should actually be bigger than the snails because it's in the foreground.
No, hold on.
We won't
Goalie
talk
has-
about that.
Hold on. The goalie has a massive
Don't
stick.
judge a man
regardless.
by his hockey stick, okay?
No.
It's rude.
Gosh. Unbelievable.
Don't forget, like, that's not as small as that snail either. So,
Yeah.
No, like John, you know the goalie stick is.
That's
massive
one big
regardless.
snail. That's all I can say.
And
That's a
to be
huge
fair,
snail.
This is a left-handed stick. Because if he pulls the stick this way, the potato Kraken is left.
Right. I think the hedgehog came out the best. Little hedgehog's
Yeah,
cute.
it was actually.
And the Kraken, the little dragon's cute too, but he was kind of hard to do.
I think one of my favorite things on it is the hedgehog though.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's shooting practice. Yeah, shooting.
Literally, aim for
Alright.
the snail's hat, then hedgehog, and then I'd aim for dragon.
Yeah.
Then as I run away, I'd be like, Kraken, frog, turtle, deal with that.
Yeah.
How much mushrooms am I on? I'm not sure.
Alexa, office lights purple.
Alexia,
Yeah. Or
that's not.
Alexa, office light 1 blue, office light 2 magenta. Now she's gonna ignore me. Alexa, office light 1 blue, office light 2 magenta. She's gonna ignore me. She heard me a minute ago. I have to
You
yell.
don't care. It's like you ignored me earlier, so I'm like.
It was like, it might be one of those.
There. I don't know. I think it's there, but yeah. Now I have paint on my fingers, even though I got gloves on, and there's paint on the gloves, and there's paint
Oh, dude.
everywhere. There's probably paint on my mouse. Not too bad. So. There's one palette, and here's the other palette. I'm so glad I got a second one, because I needed it as fast as I was painting. Usually I only ever have one for like the whole painting. What?
Put that wrapped around so you can just go.
Yep. I can just take it off. I'll probably leave it on here tonight though, in case I want to use it to touch up tomorrow, because this will probably stay wet longer than that. And I want to touch up something. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I can. Let's see. I gotta figure out all this. Come on. Well, that didn't close as planned. I've completely unorganized my paint during this too. They weren't organized. I don't know what happened. Because now it won't close. there. Let's see. Oh, we got fish we can look at too. Not just me. Fish! Ah! I don't even want to think about all this. See, can I take a picture now that I turned the thing off? Kinda. Not really. Turn all the lights on and take a picture later, but yeah. And then
Hello there.
hi, Wiggles.
We don't allow any wiggles here.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Oh, there's Wiggles. There's Wiggles.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggleless.
Who the fuck
Welcome
else says
home.
hello there?
All right,
When
Wiggles.
I realised you were Wiggles.
Oh. Yeah, it normally has his wig on, yeah.
Come on, Zach. You can't be that bad.
He's from Texas.
You know what's fucking funny? Now that I hear you say that, I now understand why that soccer coach only lives 20 minutes from you, because your accents are very similar.
Yorkshire.
Yeah. Anyway, Wiggles, how was Century Arms? What's that?
One of the craziest things I've ever experienced in my life.
Yeah.
So, pallets and pallets and pallets. Each gun is hand assembled. So there is literally just workstation after workstation after workstation. And it's not assembly line. Like a person gets a gun and they assemble the gun to the end. It doesn't go like to the next person, to the next person. Start at the beginning. Assemble it. And it's just guys holding a fucking AK or AKs on their desk, fucking doing this and wrenching what on, you know what I mean? Like, the weirdest thing I ever witnessed. They're currently, one of their lines is, he said it's a competition style 1911.
Oh yeah. Good night, everyone. Yeah, I just realized I muted myself on stream too. No. Oh my god. Probably just a little bit of touch up, not too much, because I don't want to change too much on the painting, but I'll touch it up some tomorrow. Grade 4. 1 second. I think I did it right. Yeah, thank you everyone. Catch you later. I'm gonna show it in Discord. This is Boatman. He often comes in and raids and hangs out when we do marbles and stuff.